But I don't know if you keep moving a chair, motherfucker. I'm not gonna keep...
Santi, you should put the headphones on for
So
sure.
What are you gonna expect from an ADHD kid, dude? What's up? Hello, OG. Jackson in the house. Whoa.
He get Asi Tusi's way out of her situation. Yeah.
Wait, so that guy actually didn't know how
Lassi
to
Tusi,
speak
Lassi
English,
Pussy.
or like he was just joking?
He was joking. He wanted to speak with me in Punjabi.
Okay.
No, I think
You see
he.
me, you expect something else. You see me?
इसको देख के टिंग 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 शुरू हो जाता है ना दिमाग में.
You see me, you expect something else.
Hadippa, sorry.
You see me,
Hadippa.
people see a scholar.
Careful, that's an N word.
People imagine. People are imagining a scholar of Sikhi.
Oh shit. So sorry, Sugi. Sorry.
People are imagining a fucking priest.
When they
You know,
see you,
when they see me, they imagine a scholar. Oh, this man knows his Granth. This man, he's a devout scholar. He's of the school of scholasticism. Yeah, and he will contend. You know, that's what they imagine. But then I open my mouth. Then I open my mouth and it's like. "Bo bade dheele din, bade dheele." So we have Suntan with us tonight.
what's up?
Yes, Santani.
What's it?
Yes. बस अब इसी बात पे लाइट इफेक्ट दो.
Sanatan is one of the only people who consistently matches my waza. You know? Because you sometimes do it, but you're also often in a mood. But like, and also, by the way, he will do it and he will, of his own, say waza to me, you know? He initiates the waza also. He's not just like a reciprocatory.
call.
He's not a reciprocatory wazaer.
I'm an initiator.
just- I'm
He's an
waza, bro.
initiator
initiate.
wazaer.
मैं भी phone call पे वादा बोलता हूँ. I mean, अच्छे दे यार.
Right, Chetak, देखो. Who cares about you, man? So,
Sorry.
Sanatan, what saying? That's your name.
What's saying?
That's what saying?
What's saying?
Acha, what's saying?
What
What?
saying?
What are you saying?
Yeah,
What Sanatan? What you saying, bro?
Sounds fair.
Sanatan, what you saying?
I'm saying nothing.
And you're a wall painter. You paint walls.
Yeah,
Ghar ke-
I paint walls.
You're in construction
And
business.
his artist name is
paint
Jackson.
People.
The contractor. You work with a contraction company.
Correct.
Correct.
As Jackson.
As Jackson.
As Jackson.
Your artist name is Jackson.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Is it a good thriving business painting walls in India?
No, not at all.
Not at all, right?
But it could be.
Could be soon.
I thought it was pretty lucrative. I thought it was right up there with Solar Energy.
Like it kind of depends, man. Like
Isn't Adani getting into
who
wall
you are,
painting?
who you're not, where you're
Interesting.
painting, where you're not.
Interesting.
Are you working with the government? Are you not?
Uh-huh.
Things like that.
Everything it all boils down to are you working with the government or
Why
not?
are you not? Yeah.
Ah.
Or are you
Really?
not? It all everything you do. देख अब तू तेरे को क्या बोलते हैं बैठ के 90 करोड़ चार्ज करने हैं for flop after flop. You gotta ask about mangoes. You know?
Definitely.
Right.
What about apples
Yeah, of
or
course.
peaches?
Everything boils down to whether
Or
you're working with the
grapes.
government or not.
Hey,
You don't
not
ask
relevant.
For grapes.
Huh?
Apple is if you're in Hollywood.
Oh,
But if you're a localite, you should put those on.
really?
Because then
The
the
feedback-
softy बातें नहीं आएंगी तेरे कान
Oh,
में.
nice. Hello.
और इसका ये भी होता है तो और by the way if the volume is too loud you can figure it out.
Nah, I feel it's good.
It's good because so like if you तू पीछे जाके बात करेगा ना तो तेरे को सुनाई देगा कि तेरी आवाज कम आ रही है.
Ah, I can figure that
That's
out.
crazy.
Hello.
People don't know that.
Lovely.
They don't have the
Wow.
headphones. Then they'll
Lovely.
just lean back.
That's
and be
exactly
idiots.
what I was
Be
I
fucking
was
idiots.
doing before this started.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
There we go.
Going आगे पीछे figuring it out.
Yeah.
क्या है?
Yeah.
Have you figured it out?
No.
Nice.
So Sanatan is actually an urban artist. He's a spray. He does spray painting.
But only
It's
for
very
urban
cool.
areas because he hates the rural actually.
Fuck the villages.
Yeah.
What are
Fuck
you
the
gonna?
villagers.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
They
dude,
won't understand.
they haven't even
anything,
got to classical art. How will they understand urban?
No.
Motherfucker, give them an education first. Okay. Let them
Fine.
figure out the naturalists.
Hmm.
Let them look at impressionism,
Hmm.
cubism,
Hmm.
Sanatanism.
Hmm.
Wait.
What's saying?
What's
Oh damn, man! It gets my
it gets to exhale.
yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, exhale. It's a nice word.
It is. It's pretty cool.
It's a cool word.
Wow. Damn. What's happening, bro? So what are you up to? You are You're up to cooking something up.
Yeah, I'm always cooking something up.
Yeah.
Doing some shit here and there.
अब देखा तो do you not notice कि तेरी आवाज बिल्कुल धीमी सी बेकार हो गई है
Oh yeah, sorry.
There you go.
टमाटर लाल
Wait, let me.
तो कुर्सी को आके करना
ये मैंने पहले भी बोला था तेरे को स्टार्ट
Yes.
करने से पहले
Chal
हाँ.
sahi hai. Now I'm relaxed, but my
हाँ जी.
legs can't reach the floor. Okay, they do. Awesome.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was a low bar to begin with.
Thank you.
He moved his chair forward and he elevated a couple of inches and his legs couldn't reach the floor.
Yeah, man.
That's weird how physics works, huh?
That's
It's crazy.
It's actually it's
Newton, if you're listening,
not. buddy. Yeah.
we cracked it.
Yeah. So what's next? What are you up to?
what's next. Finishing this,
Yeah.
going back home. Working,
शादी करानी
working on a video with some of my buddies.
शादी का वीडियो संगीत वीडियो
Sangeet video.
It's for a can company called Montana.
Montana.
Yeah.
Montana reps,
of Hannah and Jordan
represent.
fame
Shouts out Montana. Montana cans. Woo!
of Hannah and Jordan fame.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, so working
Jordan
on
Montana. Who the fuck is
Sorry,
Jordan?
fuck French. Sorry,
French.
Hannah
Jordan.
and French. Sorry,
Hannah
I don't
French
know.
Montana.
I lost that
Wow.
completely.
So he was making a joke. Oh, Hannah Montana.
Never mind, you don't have to
French
repeat the
Montana.
joke.
That's correct.
Yeah, man, don't repeat the joke. Listen,
good,
once the moment has passed, you gotta learn.
Wow.
Allow it to. Please.
Yeah.
So needy with his humor, no? It's
Who?
just-
Who?
Mm,
Oh.
you know.
Hi, Pot. I'm African American. Is that what you're saying?
Ha.
I like your political correctness. That is your most attractive quality.
So this is kind
You
of.
gotta figure it out. You know.
This is sorry.
You can't say that. That's racist.
You gotta figure it out.
Oh, sorry.
You gotta boop it out.
boop what out.
You gotta boop it out. Instead of figure it out, imagine if there was a
You gotta
censor
boop
word
it
there,
out.
but it rhymed.
You
Okay.
gotta boop it out. You gotta boop it out. You got this fucking chair. Yeah.
Cool. Urban art. Who's your,
FTFO.
yes.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Who's your favorite urban artist?
Mine. I have a few here in India
Uh-huh.
who I appreciate. There's Left. There's a guy called Moose who's
Left isn't there's the name of the artist.
yeah, that's his name.
Left.
Left.
L-E-F-T.
Yeah, he's out of Kerala, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe some kahin aur se bhi ho sakta, I don't know, but I feel he's from Kerala.
Does he have a sibling named right?
I hope so.
Yeah.
Right, left, then up and down are coming.
Up and down are the cousins.
Yeah,
It's,
they're on their way.
it's a different cardinal, you know.
हाँ,
Correct. Yeah.
Mm.
दूर के cousins.
No, exactly.
उसके अलावा there's Moose. He's out of Mumbai. He's good. He's a
Moose
gay-
wala,
Musewala.
Musewala.
He died, right?
Yeah, but
He's
वो
smoke.
बस Moose
but his
पे
work
गया.
lives on.
Mm.
So new pieces keep coming.
Wow.
Wow.
And then there are lots of like international ones which I look up to.
Shepherd Ferry. Shepherd Ferry. Do you like Shepherd Ferry?
I don't know who Shepherd Ferry is.
Shepherd Ferry, you don't know.
No.
You do know. Obey.
Oh,
Andre
yeah,
3000,
okay,
Shepherd
yes,
Ferry.
Yes, Shepherd Ferry. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So
The OG one. He fought the Obamas.
That's
Go
true.
on.
That's true. He has one of the best marketing concepts and marketing
Yeah,
ideas.
but it was
when
actually
comes
very.
to-
It was one of those. I think it was one of those foundational, or you could say at least, you know, like it set a precedent. His case against morphing like an Obama photo into his Yes We Can famous artwork. जो तूने देखा होगा blue, right? So that's Shepherd Ferry. So then that was like a thing. It's a major fair use.
and like,
Creative Commons fair use intellectual property case.
but like,
yes, we can.
what
Yes, yeah.
what I know of him, like
Yeah.
as in like whatever I've heard and like the things which he is mad in what he does, but
Obama?
like his marketing, not Obama, the other guy,
yes.
his marketing was fucking dope, dude. He would
You gotta nail the marketing, bro. How do you
like-
get eyes on something?
yeah, and like the process which he had was he would make something, he would have a design, then he would have to get that design on a big ass fucking wall, and he wouldn't do it himself. He wouldn't even leave his house. What he would do was he would just send small like he would break that whole design into smaller parts, and then those chunks he would just distribute it to just random followers, fans, whoever. He would just go for a call out, ask people their addresses, send those
Yeah,
sheets
he's crowdfunding it.
and some adhesive, and that's it. And
No,
people would
wheat
go
paste.
and then
Wheat paste. I
Wheat
did
paste,
a
yeah.
paid gig for Get Artists Paid about their rant against Vice Media being bought by Rupert Murdoch, and I actually did a wheat paste job myself.
sick. So yeah, and that's how he used to do a lot of like these big murals by the help of everybody. So that was cool.
That's a
And
good way to do it.
yeah, very smart way
What's
of doing it
yeah. No,
without
but
getting your
dude,
hands dirty.
So many modern artists are involved in the conceptual phase, and then they dish out the legwork to other artists, right?
That's true, but like what I know from street, like
street
as
का वो
in-
शायद नहीं ethos होगा.
as in like street or urban art. If you
But you have
would
to
like
think about it this way. You're talking about the origins of street art, where it was
Yeah.
all very hands-on, doing it yourself, rebellious, whereas now street art has been elevated to fine art, right? Street art has entered the canon of fine art. Banksy had a
Sweetheart?
fucking, yeah, Banksy had an auction fucking the painting that's shredded, that auction, right? So you have to imagine that it's going to change, it's going to evolve, right? Yeah. But then there's always going to be the different philosophies of how you go about it.
Yeah, and also you can always start something new without knowing any of these things, and then
Yeah.
someone like you would come and be like, "Yo, this is how it is, and this is what it comes in," things like that. So it's cool.
Not comes in. I'm not talking about that.
yeah,
I'm
no,
not
but
saying
in
it's-
general, I'm saying like,
I'm,
see,
I'm not validating any
Correct.
any progression. I'm saying that it has been
Why,
one.
why?
I'm just acknowledging the
So-
progression.
so then
I'm
when
saying,
you
and then
do,
like
then
you
you
got to
kinda-
contextualize the art with the knowledge of the
Then
the
you kinda
context.
realize also-
You weren't dropped from a coconut tree, buddy.
that's what I'm trying to say. Like a lot of times, like for me, what?
I was saying if you know, you know.
Oh,
Coconut.
Yes.
Go
अच्छा,
on.
for you as an urban artist, what is your process like? What is your
what is my process?
हाँ मतलब तू कैसे कुछ बनाता है, सोचता है, करता है? How what is your बनाता कैसे जो तू बनाता है?
It's very odd for me when it comes in. Like,
That's a weird question to ask an artist because it all comes from nowhere.
yeah,
It just comes
that's-
out.
It's it's crazy.
That's what I mean. That's my answer.
Nahin, like, how do I say this? Lot of these things, when you ask an artist, or maybe me, I'm going to talk about just me. When you asked me this, it was like I kind of know what I do, but I can't put it in words. Where Suki just helped me out with those words. It's actually, yeah, like when you like think about it, it is coming from nowhere, man. It's just there, like.
I get that part
And it's
of it.
also like for me mostly I'm never like getting up from the bed be like aaj to humko kuch banana hai. That's never the reason I'm up. I get up and I go about my day. I do what I need to do, and like
कुछ बना देता है.
It's an
Just
amanat.
like-
It's the possession.
Yeah,
You're
and
possessed.
like in a way I'm possessed by that shit comes in. It's like चलो बैठ जाओ अब कुछ करो तो फिर बस बैठ के कुछ करना शुरू करते हैं, and then something leads to the other. Yeah.
Yeah. No. When you said it's a weird question,
Suddenly you wake up at a truck stop with your dick in a tranny.
that's art.
Something leads to another.
That's art.
That's just life.
That's art.
It's the butterfly. It's the
Art
butterfly effect.
imitates life, imitates art, imitates life,
And
imitates
then you
art.
go back home and you make something, and yeah.
But you already made something
amazing,
with the tranny, a baby,
A butt baby.
a bud baby.
Butt baby. Yeah.
But no, when you said it's a weird question to ask an artist, did you mean that specifically for visual artist or for any kind of artist? Because I have like a process, no?
हाँ तो
Yes.
I
I'm
feel
sorry. I meant
it's
only as visual.
As a visual
As
artist, yeah.
visual
No,
artist.
but like I'm sure like there are like I know also. Sorry, I'm banging.
No, take it breezy.
Table, but
No, it's good.
That's what you said to the tranny.
It's good because take
Wow.
it breezy.
Yeah.
yeah.
Sorry,
but,
I'm banging.
but I feel it's different from person to person, man. I know I have friends who exactly know what they want to do when it comes to art or when it comes to designing in a way that their process is very well aligned.
I didn't mean, by the way, that there's never any premeditation. There often is.
I was asking
just
him
meant
about his.
I meant ki what? Sorry, I don't know. I also have preemptively answered on someone else's behalf. You know, but
Big shocker.
I think, but I think
Woot,
yeah,
woot.
I think you know what is the seed. Someone jizzes in your head a seed of art, okay, and then it blossoms. Yeah.
मतलब तेरे साथ ऐसा
It's
होता
a
है कभी
possession.
कि किसी लड़के ने तेरा दिल तोड़ा है तो तू जाके अपना पेंटिंग बना देता है ऐसे गुस्से में, ऐसे कुछ होता है, कुछ करता है?
No, not painting. If अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा, I would rather go play or go do some fucking sketchy ass adventure sports and shit like that. That's my way of
अच्छा
taking this on.
तभी तो तू आजकल हर दूसरे दिन बोल्डर बॉक्स में दिखता है.
हाँ कह सकते हो. I don't think so. That was the reason I'm there. That
नहीं, मैं तो बस
yeah, but like yeah, that I would do
correlation is
that.
not causation.
Yeah.
हाँ जी, बातें
हाँ.
बातें.
तू बता तो. So this is basically your way, right? This is
What?
what you do.
What?
When you have to write a piece, you
I go into it. I live.
you literally take on depression. You're like,
Yes,
"Bhai, आजा,
I live
मेरे
it for
पास
the
आजा,
week.
किसी भी तरह."
I have a shit week
Yeah.
mentally. I live
Sick,
it for the week, and then it comes out. And then I don't plan what to do. My entire day is shit. So at some point during the shit day, when it's shit, something will come out.
Beauty.
So
That's a good way of
And
taking
those are
it.
generally my favorite ones.
Yeah.
The ones that come out that way.
Because I feel when you know you're taking it in yourself without having it, like, without going in, without having any idea, it kind of like it becomes what's the, like, a good state, like you
Yeah.
like getting into,
You're in it.
like, yeah, and like once the whole process is done and you have a song and you feel satisfied.
फिर आ रहा तो
and-
यहाँ पे हा 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 सब
Exactly,
सब हो जाता है.
exactly. So
So it's a
very-
cycle. Yeah.
it's very
Cycle.
similar to yours. Like our process at the end, like we're doing this is because we like it in some manner or the other, and it gives us
अभी
satisfaction.
yeah.
Which,
जैसे
like,
देख आजकल मैं
yeah.
खुश हूँ. अभी well since yesterday अभी जो गाना लिख रहा हूँ काफी बकचोद है. It's funny. So उस चक्कर में I'm in a different space. I'm in a bit of a psychotic. I'm being
It's a-
toxic. I'm
it's a-
being toxic for fun.
It's a departure from his usual serious self.
Yeah.
That's true.
No, but I'm being toxic for fun.
Everyone's really-
I'm
yeah.
just, enjoying tension, blah, blah, blah. I'm just...
He's having fun, dude. I
Yeah.
feel ki
Yeah.
rather than
So then, like, that's what I like to do.
Count, abhi, since yesterday, I'm in that zone.
Do the counter emotion.
Since yesterday, I'm in that zone.
Yes. Yes.
like I find it's cooler and a little. Matlab, I would think if you know that okay, cool, you are in this state, you can come out of it. More,
Yes,
a lot
correct.
of times
Yeah,
when
the
you have no
self-awareness is-
idea. Yeah,
It's pretty
self-awareness
key.
is the name.
Because
yeah.
that's the only way you can check
Yeah.
yourself.
Otherwise,
if you know.
because I know so many peeps, man. Like
Who are heading towards breakdowns, they can't anticipate.
naam to
basically
padda,
they're there or
Saatwik
like
ka hai, yaar, to
they're just
Saatwik ji ka hai.
confused, and that just being confused
Ah.
about yourself kind of
Yeah. For me, ever
gets
since...
them sometimes.
For me, ever since I've...
Well,
started
lighter diyo.
For me, ever since I started being realer with myself, it's become कि जो भी मेरे breakdown होते हैं छोटे मोटे, I always know they're coming. I know what they're about. हो जाते हैं.
Yes.
मैं झेल लेता हूँ एक दिन, ठीक है, done. Then then I'm fine, sort of thing.
Yeah.
My mind becomes much more manageable.
That's true. I feel Alexi would write a banger song, bro. She's always
Yeah.
look at her.
Bang.
Alexa. Does she do? So she's the Amazon one, huh?
She's the Amazon one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alexa,
you get a,
what
you
is
get
it
an
now?
insane package.
They can
you
order.
get a
They can order.
basically
They can order groceries for you these days, है ना?
groceries and
Groceries and
yeah, yeah,
music and
groceries,
shopping and
dog, yeah.
that's pretty cool.
Still not getting the newspaper though. Huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, Jeff भाई को बोलना thank you यार.
पुराने चीज हो
Alexi.
गए भाई. Alexi, सुना?
इसको mic नहीं देना.
Alexi talks with her expressions.
वाह,
You gotta see her.
गुंगी साली.
Camera. Oh,
Don't insult Alexi.
No, we
She's
love you,
sweetheart.
Alexandra.
She's a sweetheart.
she's sweet. She's
She's the best, yeah.
too cool.
She's the sweetest idiot. Fucking dumb. Dumbass, dude.
Yeah, that's the best word for dum dum.
Yeah. She's
Or
sniffing
with
the
her
ashtray,
voice.
huh?
So yeah, she's not, but like she's just looking at me. Maybe she needs-
और कुछ नहीं, क्या कुछ देश में हो रहा है कुछ मजेदार? Not the horrible stuff that everyone's crying about. I don't want any of that. What's
No,
fun?
terrible.
Is anything fun happening? Can we get some levity? Please, can everyone stop crying on the internet? I get it, it's bad. I don't want
Yeah.
it. I don't want horror.
But we
I'm
need
too
laugh.
jaded to care. Okay, I'm too jaded.
Our job is to give the laugh.
Listen, man. Yeah. If I start caring, then I will just get depressed.
That's good. That's
I'll
good.
get depressed. Fuck that shit. Give me what's happened, what's hot.
Yeah, I feel
who's
like you gotta
flirting,
avoid that shit.
with
You gotta
whom,
avoid feelings.
whose dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wait.
It's the
I
best
have
way.
to give something. Like, isn't it
Nahin,
just
nahin.
like we all?
I'm not
think
putting you on
of-
the spot.
All right.
But
all right.
sort of.
But yeah, I'm trying to think. I'm
Come on,
thinking.
level
I'm
up.
Thinking.
So level up. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Leveling up.
Do it now.
Leveling up.
Idiot. You do it.
I only know fucking like what's his face, like financial news and fucking politics and shit.
Okay,
like that.
tell us
I
some
don't know.
spicy finance, yo.
Yeah, but tell us in a cool
Tell us
way.
finance.
Gold hits
It's
record
easy.
highs as investors bet on rate cuts.
Yes. Next.
So you want to talk about the global?
No, we've
US
reacted.
economy?
Oh,
We've-
that's done. Yeah.
We've
That was a good
reacted.
reaction. I like
We've reacted. Next.
Cooling
Let's go.
US jobs market looms over central bankers at Jackson Hole.
Damn, son.
Wow.
Whoa,
Again in English, please.
Xiaomi raises target for EVs as quarterly group sales beat forecasts.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
BlackRock
Okay.
support for ESG measures fall to new low. Obama warns
Oh.
Democrats of tight race to defeat Trump.
We have a friend who works at BlackRock.
Shut up. Fuck this shit. This is boring.
That was boring. Obama, like you said Obama, so I remember. Dude, abhi recently,
फंस गए रे Obama.
nahi, I don't know. I'm telling you guys.
That
this,
movie is
but
a trip and a half.
How
I saw
do
it as a kid. I don't remember it, but I remember being.
Why is it called फंस गए रे Obama? What's up with that? What's happening in the movie?
What movie?
It's
There's a Hindi movie, Bollywood movie
They-
named "फंस गए रे Obama."
Oh.
they get
क्या है मतलब?
they show some
Have you
footage
seen
of Obama or like 15 years ago or something, and I don't really remember it at all. But my mom will remember it because I remember we watched it together and she liked
Okay.
it. But yeah, I've trauma wiped a lot of things from my past. Okay, one fucking movie
तू
is
देख क्या रहा है आजकल सनातन? What are you watching on the media front?
Media front, nothing much, dude. I'm just going through my old TV shows because I watch something while I'm working, so I need something on the background playing.
Which
So
one?
what are you watching?
What are you rerunning?
Friends.
Even
dekh
I'm
raha
doing
na-
reruns, by the way.
Friends.
Sorry?
dekh raha na sir.
I'm doing two simultaneous reruns.
Oh fuck, crazy!
I was doing
am-
Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I finished it. I watched all the episodes again in random order. So I'm done. I'm not going through it again immediately. But last night I started this new one I told you about. What We Do in the Shadows. It's a
Yes, yeah, you mentioned.
mockumentaries on 4 vampires living together.
It's really
Oh
good.
damn!
It's,
On?
It's on Hotstar.
It's not a mockumentary. It's just cinema verite. Even Success in the which I'm what are you watching?
Cinema Venete.
No, they
Cinema verite. Cinema verite is a
What?
style
Okay.
where staged fiction is verite as in truth. So it's depicted as happening in real time, as or being found footage, you recording it. For example, The Office
yes.
is in cinema verite style.
Okay, that-
so is what
it's
we
in
do
The
in
Office
Shadows.
style,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
Oh,
So is
so-
Succession.
so it's not a
called cinema
mockumentary.
verite. Yes, it's not a
How do-
mockumentary. Is just like a
Fun fact.
yeah. You dumb it down for the masses. You will not understand unless you hear me talk fucking rant for 3 minutes about cinema verite. Cinema verite. Cinema bhature.
Cinema Bhature.
Cinema bhature. So unless you have a nerd in your immediate vicinity to bore you to death
Nerd.
about the nuances, then yeah, it's mockumentary. You're right. Yes, correct.
Yes, I knew it. End में answer मैं ही सही था.
Acha, to listen to why
sorry.
did we get to the Obama thing?
I'm
Was
sorry, tu Obama bol raha tha. Yes.
Correct,
I love a
correct.
good tangent to just
Go
have
on.
a fucking 10-minute
Yeah.
distraction. Sorry, go on, proceed.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
You got this, buddy.
A moment of silence for
Go for it. You got this. You got
All
this.
right,
You
for
all
got
Sheikh Hasina.
All right.
A moment of silence for Sheikh Hasina.
Oh, Hasina
Buddy, that's
Zulfo
bad podcast
wali
etiquette.
jaane jahan.
You can take a call, but have it silent at least.
ढूंढती है asylum in
Listen, I
UK.
can't get on a high horse
Yeah,
about
let
like
me tell
fucking not taking calls on the podcast because I do it literally every other episode. I take calls on the podcast, and often I take multiple, in fact. So, but I just say podcast etiquette, keep it on silent mode, and then you can take it. If you
right.
want.
I never take it.
Well, 'cause
Nobody calls me.
Nobody calls you. That's why you're not doing much.
Okay, getting to the
Yes,
topic.
again.
Yeah. So I was driving somewhere and my phone was off and I wanted music, so I was listening to whatever is there on the radio, and I got to know about the whole Obama playlist.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he made a
Yeah.
playlist. So yeah.
He keeps making playlists, and now it's fucking getting like it's out there, dude. Everywhere. All the
Now
fucking
नहीं यार, it's been a
stations.
phenomenon now for fucking 20 years लगभग. उसकी 2014 में उसकी playlist popular हो गई थी. 10 साल हो गए, sorry, 20 years नहीं, 10 साल हो गए हैं.
So
It's a
that
popular
was-
thing. It's like a soft power thing. Do you think it's his playlist?
I don't know.
He's got a team making it, man.
But it's Obama's
He's got a team
playlist.
making it. No, listen, it's a marketing thing. It's a soft power marketing thing.
Whatever,
To
there's-
keep relevant
there's
in the minds.
pink-haired-
No, and I'm imagining it is probably well curated. I'm not saying it's not, but I don't think it's actually Mr. Obama making the playlist out here. Oh, this is for my Spotify followers.
Well, I think there's
I'm not being the president. Let me become a fucking influencer.
So
Yes,
that.
Go on,
the,
go on. So you
Okay.
listen to that.
yeah. So pink-haired genderqueer people are
it's-
boning to his playlist.
It's on
Okay.
Spotify, man.
It's on Spotify. It is his Spotify playlist.
I don't have Spotify. I was just saying, I just got to fucking know about this.
Oh, okay.
And- And so they played some of the songs
Huh.
from that thing, and he had some nice old classics in it. So
Correct.
yeah, so you'd ask me something, so this is what I was just getting at. But you guys
Finally-
keep distracting me so much that I keep fucking forgetting shit.
Finally, you've been able to get it past me. Listen, the thing is,
Yeah,
the thing
bro,
is both.
fucking hell.
There's now at the moment there's two ADD riddled fellow, gentlemen across from each other. So this is the way a conversation will go.
Yeah, I'm the focused one here.
Yeah, you're relatively. Let's say relatively. Yeah.
I don't have attention deficiency problems.
I don't know if you do. Like I've medically been diagnosed. So
I don't do that mumbo jumbo shit. Go
You-
and get a label.
I don't do doctors.
if I want label
don't-
maker, there's a label maker right here.
लेकिन तू वो जो पेड़ के नीचे बैठते हैं वो जड़ी बूटियां तो तूने लिया तो था उसका, तू एक बार गया था तो उसको तेरी खांसी ठीक करने के लिए नहीं गया था तू?
Oh,
कहाँ
वैद
गया था
शायद,
भाई?
हाँ,
वैद।
वैद is different.
Where did you go?
पेड़ के नीचे नहीं है उसके पास
पेड़ के नीचे
क्लिनिक है, वो एक मंदिर में बैठते हैं.
Okay, and then he's
Sometimes.
giving
मंदिर के ऊपर पेड़ है.
तो वो जड़ी बूटियां
No, this guy
but
was
जो
the-
जो उसकी दवाई है वो जड़ी बूटियां है ना.
मंदिर के ऊपर
हाँ,
पेड़ है
उसका
कि नहीं?
पाउडर है.
हाँ उसका पाउडर है वो जड़ी बूटियां तो मैंने गलत
not
बोला.
falling for that.
Listen man, I took creative liberty. I just poetic license.
But he's a Padma Bhushan and he's treated one of the presidents of India.
All right,
Okay,
but
yeah.
पेड़ है कि
Who is
नहीं?
now
bro?
probably dead.
By the way, the Padma Bhushan, a rigorously scientific award given to only scientific accomplishments. So that actually, yeah, that,
Scientist ही तो
that
है भाई.
gives it so much legitimacy.
तुझे भी तो जाना था ना?
हाँ?
तुझे भी जाना है ना? तेरे
खांसी
को
ठीक हुआ कि
मुझे
नहीं?
जाना है?
हाँ.
खांसी ठीक
नहीं,
हुआ
मैंने
कि
दवाई खा ली.
किसके पास?
अबे, so you just went there, you just
Yeah,
spoke to him and
माँ-बाप
you were like,
जबरदस्त.
you know
तुझे
what?
अगर लगता है कि there is a doctor out there who can fix
bro.
me.
Balls. So you
No,
went
you
there,
need-
you left
you got
without
nothing
giving any
coming.
money. You're
You
telling me
need a
this.
woman.
You got nothing coming, bro.
So you went there, you had a word, and then you left without like giving any money or like
You
taking any
only-
medicine.
The medicine that you take, you only pay for that. There's no consultation. You don't
Oh,
pay.
dope.
So he does it for गरीब लोग भी जाते हैं.
Oh, that's sick.
And the medicine thing, 100 रुपए के, it's quite cheap.
So why didn't you take one?
We did, and I started
you
the
just
dose.
said you didn't.
I started taking the doses. 2-3 दिन लिया, then I stopped. मतलब
Okay.
वैसे I'm lazy ना, and I
Okay,
can't
but-
be bothered to keep up the
okay.
habit. My mom's always telling me off, do it, and I'm like, हाँ करूँगा, never got back to it.
Moving on. तेरे knee क्या तेरा वो कैसा है? क्या बोलते हैं? What the fuck is it called? कोनी नहीं. कोनी is elbow.
Gutna.
घुटना.
Gutna सही है.
कनी, कोनी and कनी.
Oh really?
It's okay.
Elbow को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Why you going
Elbow.
there?
Elbow.
इल्बू.
Elbow.
ये पूछा था elbow को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? इल्बू.
कनी it's called
And
कनी. It's
कनी.
called कनी.
Koni.
कनी.
And this is कनी.
Koni.
अब ये चूतिया हो गया. मेरे को बस उसका जोक समझ
Ah.
आया. So useless.
इल्बू.
Elbow को इल्बू और knee को कनी
कनी.
बोल रहा है. चूतिया एक नंबर का.
इल्बू. कनी.
Useless है तू.
Shout outs to Mukund. The man who saw the art in this.
So
Yeah. So that's cool.
बहुत hype.
It's by the way, it's Koni and
Fast
Ghutna.
pace पे-
It's Koni and Ghutna. By the way,
I need
sorry?
to-
Elbow
Koni
and knee is
Gutna.
Koni
Yeah,
and
yeah,
Ghutna.
Koni and Gutna.
We get it. Shut up.
We said it, bro.
We already, yes, he loves to do this. After we've all settled on the definition, he will repeat it.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, who cares? Shut up.
Sorry.
It's all good, bro.
मैं गाना गा रहा था.
Shut up. बता यार तो तू पेंटिंग अभी क्या बना रहा है? You're planning on, yeah, with Montana. What are we doing?
Lots of things.
There was a portrait. You mentioned a portrait on Saturday.
yeah,
I forget what the
man.
fuck the exact details were. What are we doing tonight?
Tonight we are making
Love.
a caricature of a dog.
Oh
Yes,
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 Now I
yes.
remember.
Yes, I remember which
And
dog.
we're like the way we are making it is
It's
we're
gonna be
gonna be
Milo,
using
yeah.
a cardboard to make it on,
Yeah.
and the cardboard all itself has some graphics on it printed. You know how those cardboards have in which you get those TVs and so you have these arrows on it and like different markings. So while keeping those in the cardboard, I want to make a piece which kind of goes along with it.
Mm.
I don't know. Let's see. Like I have like it visually in my head, but it'll start to come to peace once we get to it. But yeah, we'll make something to do.
Sexy.
Hell's
I'm excited.
फेंक दो पोल का पॉप.
मार के दिखा तू. मार के दिखा.
Oh,
Kobe.
Chal, come on.
Oh,
Bro, you
Who
don't
would have thought?
say Kobe and then throw it. You say Kobe while throwing it.
Oh, that's why it didn't go. It was so close though.
Chal, koi nahi.
We rimmed it. It was a good rim job.
Yeah, I mean, you know, if you're happy with consolation prizes, buddy, then you know,
No.
fucking anything will go, man. What the fuck?
I will make it go.
Useless.
That didn't.
I will throw his
that didn't
coffee.
go in, by the way.
I will throw his coffee in and make it go.
I'll throw you out the window, and trust me,
What if it goes in?
you will fucking yeah. Well,
You will go.
I will go.
Flying, bro.
Kobe!
You'll be out.
Kobe!
he's 6'4", so he'll
Go,
only really
I'll-
fall for one floor. You know,
I will.
the rest of his head will just hit.
I will Kobe flyant.
Kobe flight, yeah.
So what's this, dude? What's this thing with like a lot of buttons on it?
Ah,
Label maker. भाई प्लीज एक चुटिया निकाल कर मार्केट में चिपका तो holy shit but that's why you gotta do it fast the OG ones gotta be how quick is it that's very fast and like tell let's fuck around with it everyone have a joke name printed on the photo okay print dog
Sit. Sit. Good boy. मुझे पता है लौंडिया है, लेकिन हर कुत्ता boy होता है. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, Wait.
See, this is what I was saying.
fight नीचे.
Don't get
Yes.
excited. Chal. Alex, just sit down.
Alex, sit.
Sit.
Please sit.
Sit, Bob.
Good. Thank you.
Stay.
Stay.
Chill now.
Yes, chill.
Good.
The
You
the
can look
pat-
at the camera if
the
you want.
particular command for chill. Yes.
Or just keep staring at me. That also
Chill.
works. What's up? What's
I
up,
took
Supreme
my
G?
dog.
So-
I took my dog to the trainer to teach it chill.
Chill.
Yes.
Chill out, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chill out, bitch.
Okay. Bit of a stretch. Sure. That's not what I was going for. but okay.
Isn't it? I'm just calling a spade a spade. A bitch a bitch. Alexi?
Sure. Don't stimulate her with her name. Alexei. Fuck you. You know there are like 100x earrings. She can hear you. Idiot.
What are you guys talking about?
We're just joshing around, just
Yeah.
talking some gibberish, jibber jabber.
Making humor.
Bip
Alright.
dap doop dab boop dap
Alright.
doop dab boop boop boop. Is that how some of the songs go, huh?
Is there water here?
Some of
My
the
hip it up,
songs
dude,
of all
damn it.
time, sure.
But hip it up doop dab 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 doo.
What was I saying?
Yeah, we had our first studio recording today, fellas.
Oh yeah, man. How did it go?
And
Are you
now they're
happy?
in Delhi looking to record music.
That looked.
Talk to me in some time.
I'll be a minute.
I don't. You'll take some time. Where you had it?
Just I have
Oh.
to collect.
Oh, I get it. I know what it is. You're getting a tampons, huh? Is that time of the month?
Whoa.
It's money.
Money. You get paid in tampons these days. That's an interesting economy. So what's the game here? What's the play? You sell them. You sell your whole.
What's happening? I'm so confused.
You stick them up your ass. Nahi. Just fucking dump it. It's fine. The joke is over. It wasn't. It's never funny anyway.
That's
Stupid
true.
fucking thing.
Like
Yeah, it's
that's
just-
true.
It's stupid.
I was trying to think of something better. But like
No,
it's
it's
the
fucking-
harbadi mein hum look why is this so or is it always this fast pace?
The podcast.
Yeah. Or like now I kinda know because you both do talk so fucking fast and for people who don't know this, off the cameras it's usually this exact same thing. These both would be just going at each other, just like you'll be there, you'll be listening to them, and all of a sudden you just go blank, and then they'll stop and you'll be asking, what are you guys talking about? And it'll be like one of the more like you'll start like doubting yourself ki why, or like just telling yourself why did you ask this question, because one of them will repeat that story and that story would have just no sense in it. Oh. And then you'll do it again and again. You'll always do it. And
But what do you-
it's a cycle.
But like, what have you achieved by talking sense in life? You know, like I
That's
think,
true. That's
you
true.
know,
That's true.
I have realized.
That's true.
Yeah, the more of a bakchod I've been, it's just it all works out.
It definitely does.
It all works out, man. You know,
It definitely does.
you were in Vietnam recently, huh?
Yeah.
How was that?
Vietnam recently. It was good. Bro, the street art
Yeah?
there is
Got paid?
fucking dope.
Street art, yes.
Yeah,
Street
man.
art in
Like
Vietnam.
I was fucking happy and like
Sweet farts.
kind of shocked
Sweet
at
tarts,
the same way also.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know why.
cheese tarts.
Because
Huh?
there is
Sorry.
yeah.
Vietnam, you went recently, and street art, you saw a lot of it. So talk to me about it now.
Yeah, I
Yes.
was saying like I was quite fucking shocked and it was dope in both manners, because as a graffiti artist, one thing which I'm always, I don't know, like this is
Hmm.
because I randomly keep telling people also, oh sick, look at that one there, or like check that one out under the bridge and stuff. And the one thing I get in return a lot of times is like, dude, what the fuck? Why do you keep looking at like walls and shit? Like we would never see it. So I because I do it, I kind of have like an eye for. I'm always on the lookout if there is a piece somewhere. The whole of Vietnam fucking had it, dude. It's crazy.
That's pretty
Like,
cool.
And so a lot of places when you have these kind of graffiti art, it gets covered up, and you can see it being covered up. But over there, they just have it like
It's a cultural
it's-
thing, right?
Yeah,
And you're-
yeah. Like I went there, I got a chance.
Your mic
to
is
get,
off, retard.
I love art.
I got a chance to like get some cans. I met a lot of graffiti artists there, so I went around, tagged a few places, and I found this. So one of the riders who were helping me, he himself was like, "Dude, I have a garage. Can you
Yeah.
come paint that? I was like,
That's pretty
man,
cool.
you should have told me this earlier because now I only have 2 cans. I would have loved to make something sick,
Hmm.
but I'll still come. I'll do whatever I wanted to, and like I'll do what I can. And he was like, hell yeah, man, and
Yeah.
it was sick. Like it felt like they appreciate art there, like
Yeah.
especially street art, which is very like usually if you go in places with like hands, they're not the friendliest until you show them your work and you be like, yo, this is what I'm going to be making, stuff like that. Always the first thing they're just like, ah man, this guy is going to fuck shit up. But that was not the case there.
Yeah,
So
so
that's
that's
cool.
that's actually like something similar to what we were talking about earlier, where earlier it was more rough around the edges, more, and I think it's a function of, for example, I'm pretty sure like in America it's a lot more developed. It's been there longer, whereas in Vietnam it might have been a more recent phenomenon where it's going through those things.
Yeah.
Because as you build and grow a community, then you develop gatekeepers.
But like, dude, it's a little different from America and
Yeah.
like in
That's what I'm
another
saying.
place. But also because now if you're found with cans in America, it's a fucking scene, dude. Like a lot of places, all the cans are behind lockups, and when you go and you are like, yo, I want cans to paint. They want to ask you where, why. Usually they want to see what's going on. They
No, I
don't
remember
It's
this
crazy
understand.
because they don't even do that with guns. So like
Yeah,
they
that
do
is
that with
that is
paint,
crazy. And like
paint cans.
but like but cans don't kill people, no? That's why.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
and
so
like
you
then
got
you
a lot-
have
you got a lot
Cans
more-
don't
then-
kill people.
then you have
guns kill people.
I kill people with
Places
cans.
Sorry.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
and then you have places like Vietnam or India or like other. There are lots of places like these also where you'll just get it. Like you have to look around for it for a bit, and yeah, you'll find cans and you can fuck around.
That's pretty cool.
The only thing is you can't get caught. You cannot get caught. That's
Where in America? Right?
anywhere,
Right.
anywhere. I
Yeah.
would say just
Even in
don't
Vietnam,
get
yeah.
caught spraying.
Right, because of course there's a difference between like, and that's the whole thing of it. No? Yeah, that's the guerrilla aspect of it. There's the guerrilla.
Yeah, that's
right.
Yeah.
Where you have to
Yeah.
avoid the authorities, and there's also there are the sanctioned examples also where for example, even in Delhi, the government sanctioned it and got a lot of Lodi
So
market
that's
area and all
then
of that.
that's a contract. Like that's
But that's what I'm saying. So there's a distinction where some places they want to encourage, they'll do it themselves. करवा देंगे और फिर otherwise the original, the fucking
So you got a lot of can
the organic
painters.
grassroots shits, they'll just
You got a lot of can painters in Delhi.
yeah, man. Lots like.
Is it the can
Um,
painting community or the wall painting community?
he
What
paints
is
walls.
it?
He's a contractor, civil work.
Individual civil work बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे. Yeah, you'll find them all over the place. In
Asian
fact, I also want to get in the game now.
I've also seen like why यहाँ पेशाब करना मना है. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Riku loves
Yeah.
Riku loves her.
That's pretty
Those are,
good.
those are all the OG
Riku loves,
legends.
Yeah. Raju
They've
Painter
been
wala
there
he.
for a
Yeah.
while.
Riku loves Pradeep.
No, Raju Painter wala. He's a trailblazer.
That's another
Yeah.
legend.
Yeah.
यहाँ पेशाब करना वाला guy is the OG of the
That's
scene.
that's yeah.
Raju Painter wala.
Raju Painter wala.
Yeah, he's a legend. Yeah. He's an icon. He's a pioneer, as they say. you know.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
He started the art form and it's spread and it's taken.
His style is well known.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's free flowing,
Very
free form. Yeah.
Yeah. And he's the founder of Asian Paints. Asian Paints has those walls, no? With the texture and shit.
He is Asian. Those are paints.
Yeah.
Yes.
Checks out.
Checks out.
Checks out.
Checks out.
Checks out.
So you work with Dulux.
What's up?
What's up? Oh man. So,
Dulux,
recently only I
Dulux.
came to know that this Waza. So I knew Waza from Scary Movie.
Oh, it's
And-
Budweiser.
Yeah, and then it was you who had told me, dude, it's actually Budweiser.
Say I have the same story.
Oh, really?
Same story.
Yeah, man, it was crazy. It
So
was
when you
crazy.
deal with a scholar,
Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
when
yeah.
you deal with a scholar, you get a schooling. That's what happens.
That's good. That's
Sukritis.
good. As long as I'm learning something. Fun fact.
Fun fact. No, yeah, that's the original. That's the Budweiser commercial, Super Bowl commercial. But the Waza, the Scary Movie one, was paying
it
an
one or
homage
was
to.
it three?
That's
Was it
the
one?
first one. That's the first one. It was
first.
paying an homage to. Yeah.
Fun fact for the audience, in case you didn't know, this is an educational podcast, so you learned something today as well.
But what I feel is
थोड़ी गुरु दक्षिणा दे दिया करो मेरे को.
the Scary
हाँ,
Movie.
हाँ, दो तीन like यार, एक दो subscribe please. That's
And
it.
we'll set up
That's it. That's all I want.
we'll set up a Patreon real soon, so you all can send us all your cash.
Patreon.
Oh,
Bro, dude,
damn.
he is living in a fantasy world. Last podcast is like merge करते हैं, हम क्या Patreon करते हैं. भोसड़ी के 200 सब्सक्राइबर है नहीं ये हाथ मिलाने के लिए. Fucking
कोई तो भेज देगा लॉल्स के लिए 100 रुपए तो आ जाएंगे
100 रुपए के लिए मैं तेरे को दे देता हूँ 100 रुपए भोसड़ी का.
अबे मैं तो तेरे लिए रिटर्न ढूंढ रहा हूँ इतना तू
अच्छा।
इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा है तेरा रिटर्न भी तो स्टार्ट होना चाहिए
आज भाई तेरे
वो 100 रुपए तेरे
I'm enjoying this,
ठीक
man.
है.
I just do this is
Yuvraj,
fun. This is a fun one.
who do you have to teach and why did that fucker didn't come? What was the scene?
Because he didn't finish.
Huh?
I taught a class in the morning already.
Oh, you
But
did?
Yeah, another
Alright.
student, and then I had a class scheduled for 4 p.m. today, but the student overslept.
Oh.
But also sent money right now. So
Oh,
so I'm
all right,
cool.
all right, all right.
If anyone's interested on Super Prof under how to be a fuck up, Yuvraj has a course.
Yes.
It's an intensive course. And but guaranteed results. 100% there's a fail
For
proof.
sure.
None of his students is not a fuck up. Some of them have
Actually, no,
been
man.
incarcerated.
I have 2 students working in the San Francisco Bay Area. They
Right.
have real jobs. I
Sure.
have
Sure.
a student in the Ministry of Defense. Like,
Sure.
I'm spread out, bro. I got a network.
So this was a live demonstration of how to be a fuck up. Just be delusional and lie. So it's one of those things, and they'll quickly get you into a hole. So yeah, there's live demo, guys. Please sign up on Super Prof.
Shout out.
Fuck apology. Fuck apology 101.
Fuck apology. Or just DM me on Instagram if anyone wants lessons.
Slide into his DMs.
Slide into my DM.
Just slide into his DMs.
Slide in
man.
my fucking
It's an
DMs.
open invitation to everyone out there.
Link-
To the world at large. Forget the class. Just slide into his DMs. Enough.
I only have 3 words.
Enough. That's enough already.
I only have 3 words to say. Link in description.
Is it there? Is it there?
It is.
All right. all
Always.
right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
So what's the scene about you guys getting these couches and I'm getting this?
Uh,
that more
we have
comfortable or
to
this is more
separate.
comfortable?
We have to separate ourselves from the general populace. So as you'll see, your
We're elites. We're elitists around here.
your seat is different. Your ashtray is different. We have the
Alright.
same one. It's
Alright.
a,
Correct.
you have the
Hmm.
guest ashtray. And,
Correct.
you know.
So why is your color of the couches different? Does it signify something?
Yes.
Which is?
I'm smarter. He's stupid.
And I'm vegetable. What?
It's a marker of intelligence. It's
green.
green is a retard. Yeah.
It's a great art.
It's a green art. Yeah, because green, you get the sense of a hospital.
You're a great art because
Yeah.
you're gay.
No.
actually.
This is like a nice beige taupe. It's actually taupe.
Gay is great.
So you
but
take you
Suki
get
is
taupe
great.
in like a nice living room. Someone set it up. You get this green color in a hospital because they're in a mental hospital actually, and they need help. They need a lot of help. That's what it is.
All right.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Vegetable checks out.
No, but in reality, this was just the furniture in the lobby. I just never changed it. It's just what it is.
Yeah, he doesn't really take care to
You
like
think I'm gonna-
invest in the
हाँ,
show.
अब मैं सेट बनाऊं पॉडकास्ट के लिए मैं चूतिया बैठा हूं क्या
Huh? That's a different question that has a different answer.
Breathe, Suki, breathe. Hadippa.
Hadippa. Bol Hadippa. Dil Bole Hadippa. You know that movie? Rani Mukherjee pretends to be a man. She wants to play cricket and वो women's team का कोई scene नहीं होता.
I remember now.
And so she becomes a Sardar ji.
Oh,
She
crazy.
puts on a fake beard and ties a Judy and says balle balle a lot and Hadippa. And it's like using our N-word, bro. It's terrible. This Bengalan dressing up as a Sardar this is abhorrent to me.
What is this? I mean, can you imagine? Like, there are examples of Joan of Arc, and then you get this fucking Dil Bole Hadippa.
Yeah.
It's absurd.
I think Shahid Kapoor is the male lead or something. Some cuck type character he was. I don't remember.
Shahid Kapoor
I think so.
in that movie.
I think so.
Is he gay? He's fucking a
No,
dude.
no.
Who's this pretend Paji?
I just meant like vibe personality wise.
Okay.
Some loser he is.
How does that romance work out though? I mean, like she's
How it
playing.
works out.
She's pretend playing a dude.
It works out.
She's got a
She-
pagdi on half the time.
He's clean shaven.
And
She
he's
has a
fucking
beard.
her, and he's straight. I mean, what's going?
He's clean shaven. She's got a beard. It's great.
Oh,
So he's
okay.
fucking a
that
bearded
works.
dude, bro.
What?
This is the first homosexual. It precedes Dostana, does it not?
Yes, I think so actually.
Well, there you go.
Perhaps. Wow.
Wow. Akshay Kumar is a hero. Sorry, Shahid Kapoor.
Kumar.
I don't know why.
Akshay Kumar तो
Brain
है hero.
defaulted to Akshay Kumar.
वो तो है.
Shahid Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor.
Shahid Kapoor.
I made him Ben Shapiro and Shahid
Shahid
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
God damn.
Third time, Shahid Kapoor is a hero of the progressive left in this country.
Yes.
Being the first man to
Oh.
complete such a role.
Bless you, bless
Pardon
you.
excuse my interpretation if it is completely off the mark because I've never seen the movie. I'm hypothesizing. I'm hypothesizing. I'm hypothesizing.
You just inserted sex scenes that weren't there.
I'm hypothesizing. Oh, really? There are sex scenes.
No, they
Oh,
don't.
Shocker. I don't understand. How can they not have sex scenes
Yeah.
in a Bollywood movie, bro? Sanatan
She's
to
got to be
bata.
screaming.
Again-
She's got to be screaming Hadappa.
Listen, I don't need guests for a podcast. I can just rant myself.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's
We're gonna do for episode 50. We should do a special where it's just Suki staring directly into one camera. It's just by himself. Fuck it, I'll do the framing.
Episode what 50?
Episode 50.
Why
Just
fif-
you
Oh, God.
staring
Why
straight
wait
at
for
the
50?
camera
What if I have like
for
a,
like 1.5 hours.
I'll make a spin-off in Propaganda Premium,
Yeah.
and it's just me. And then this could be the regular show
On Patreon.
on Patreon.
But premium ke liye you gotta pay for those episodes.
Shut up! No one's gonna fucking stop talking about Patreon. Stop thinking. Remove the thought of Patreon from your mind for a year. Okay,
a year?
for a year, yeah.
So what happens
I'll do it
if
for
you
a week.
guys just take a minute and not say anything? Huh? Have you tried that?
It
Maybe
bugs
on your
us. It
phone.
bugs me. It's dead
Huh?
air is useless. I will
No.
cut it out.
He always cuts that space out. You know, I even sometimes tell
Like,
him,
you know,
leave
I
it, it's
feel a
funny.
little bit of like just
You're overwhelmed.
No, not
per se.
overwhelmed. Like, but I'm saying like in general, like now that because see, I don't watch podcasts or listen to it for the whole entirely reason because it's too long, or and I've never done it. Yeah, it's just too long and just happening. But if I like now
Same.
that I'm here and I'm in it, like what I'm realizing it, if there are just like some these pauses,
ये part
it
काट दियो सारे
fucking
ठीक है.
helps so much, bro.
ये बातें की है ना इससे पिछले 2 मिनट काट दियो.
तो मेरा
हाँ,
पता है क्या?
but
So
can't-
for
can't
me,
feel,
for me
but
it's
like-
the opposite. When I'm doing other things where like I need to do some process tasks, I like to have a podcast running in the background. That conversation. This one time I've been putting off fucking tasks for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks, I've been putting off these tasks that I need to take care of, and these are just like stupid things. I need to do the account on this one property. I need to do the X thing, this shit, that shit. Boring stuff, not creative. I'm not naturally inclined to do that. But he was here, and he was talking to some broad, and they were talking for 3 hours straight, right beside me in the edit suite, and I got everything done because there was like a podcast.
Okay,
it's like there's a podcast going on in the background, and it's sort of like
That kinda-
it
that's-
takes care of that dopamine thing
That's
because
what, yeah.
yeah.
For me, that's also a scene, Suki. Like,
So
I
I just
also
help him
have
with
to
his
like
life.
have
Yeah.
something in the background. like,
exactly yeah.
and like that
Yeah.
kind of helps me. In
Yes.
fact, like a lot of times, if there's just people around doing
Yeah.
their own scene and I have to like get something done,
Yeah.
it just like helps me focus a little more. So yeah,
Exactly.
I get that.
For me, that's a TV show or something. I've never
Exactly.
watched
So
podcasts.
it's like some
and
ha.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
I still haven't.
yeah, yeah, that's true.
I
No,
just
for me,
watch
for
our
me that's
episodes
YouTube
sometimes.
because with fiction I need to pay attention. Otherwise, I'm not doing fiction. Wait, so for me it's not even I can't even not pay attention if it's fiction.
All
But that's
right.
because it's my job. I think
Yeah.
that's just what it is.
That's all right.
Yeah.
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 But I feel it's why do you think that is?
It's so.
Like-
It's, I'll tell you what it is. Andrew Huberman, you probably know, right? That's Stanford University neurobiologist, ophthalmologist with a science-based podcast about the body.
I probably would know. I wouldn't know. Why would I know? I wouldn't know.
That's a mouthful.
That's well, it's what it is, and
Another part of the body.
So yeah. So the mind, the body, and health, fitness, all of that he does.
All right.
Science.
Sure.
And so I saw his episode on ADHD and dopamine. So basically, ADHD is ADD, hyperactivity, regardless. ADD is essentially like a dopamine disorder. In the sense, because the thing is with dopamine is not just a pleasure thing. Dopamine actually enables you to focus on a task. Right? It helps you engage with it. So there's something fucked with our dopaminergic receptors or whatever producers, secretors, whatever the fuck it is in the brain, that does not secrete enough for us to engage with the task. So we're always splitting from one thing to another.
Sukrit.
So if we have something that's also, so I think is, music will increase the dopamine production. Something like a podcast that engages you, it's increasing your dopamine because you're paying attention to it. So maybe it enables you to do other things. That's the kind of thing. Yeah. That's what it is.
Yeah, that checks out, dude. No
Yeah.
joke.
It also checks out. It also checks out for like
Checks
stuff-
out.
Checks
Yeah.
out. It also
Checks
checks out. Checks out. Sorry for the yes. This is Science Corner.
Science Corner.
Science Corner on the Propaganda Podcast.
Propaganda podcast.
You should call this one segment Science Corner.
Science Corner. Yeah, I'm just gonna lump it there.
Yeah.
Lump it there. Yeah. But check out Andrew Huberman. He'll do it all. I don't remember. I saw it a year ago, and it was like a 2-3 hour thing. 2 hour.
Now that was a nice short gist which you gave,
Exactly.
so-
Yeah.
so-
So that's why we also, by the way, we get, like you smoke a little, you want some nicotine. It also does that. Dopamine.
That's true.
nikalta. So you want to be able to maintain that baseline, and that's what it is. So some people don't have it as bad as it being ADD, but they are able to do it with coffee or a cigarette, and
Sorry,
So it
sorry.
depends.
I'm yawning,
Everyone's
sorry.
gonna have an equivalent. Hey, that's why there are 3 cameras. We can cut away from the yawn.
Oh wow, beauty. The 3 cameras.
Or zoom in on it.
Zoom in on the yawn. Yes, it's like a slow track. It's
Oh
like
yeah,
a slow
that
zoom.
would be good.
Yeah.
That would be a good shot.
Now I want to yawn.
So now oh, just the thought is making you yawn, huh?
Oh, see. Oh,
It
damn.
was the delayed effect of his
My yawn.
yawn.
Which is only hai.
That's apparently people without empathy don't have that.
Oh, really?
कुछ होता है कि empathetic people
Caught
have-
red-handed. Caught
yeah.
red-handed. I've been caught red-handed.
empathetic people or something, they do have that catch that urge to yawn if they have affection for somebody.
Losers.
Or some shit like that.
God damn. Are you just
But-
saying this or is this actually?
No, he's
Kuch
not
hai,
wrong.
kuch
He's
hai.
not wrong. It is. So it's a sympathetic nervous system response.
All right.
So whatever your neurobiology is will determine that.
That's sick. That's sick.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's a good way to find out. I actually
Fun
did-
fact.
But I've taken a test and
Sociopath.
well, I am above average sociopathy, which is good. 'Cause
Above average is good for anything.
above average is good. Yeah. You got to
Above
be.
average literally means.
Can you imagine being borderline underperforming in the sociopathy thing?
Yeah.
You got no shots in this modern world, fellas. Level up. Stop
Fellas.
giving a fuck about people or things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, you got to be self-interested. You got to just figure out, like, how can I maximize the exploitation potential? Speaking in a capitalist word, it's technically exploitation is how you make money, right? You got to figure that out, nail it.
I don't.
Fucking empathy.
And this happens in video also sometimes. So I don't know if any of the audience has, but if you've yawned, comment. Yeah, I yawned.
Oh wow.
Oh,
It can.
Well, yeah.
translate
So you have a test. It's a Turing test.
that. Yeah.
Whether you're a robot
Or if you
or a human being.
Or if you've made it this far in the video.
Well, it is a Turing test, right?
I think most importantly.
What do you think? Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. Rishi loves to call
So
me-
basically, what if nobody comments? Then that means anyone who made it this far in the video is a sociopath.
just yawn, bro.
No, people also just don't comment. Not everyone's commenting. And I have maybe once in my 6-year tenure of listening to podcasts,
Tenure.
You have commented.
I have commented maybe once or twice, dude.
Damn.
Yeah.
What did you comment?
What? Yes.
This was fucking crazy. Or like, oh, that was a sick podcast. Or was it like
You've been my favorite
This-
podcast ever since I was 13. I
or
had no
16th
friends. You changed my life.
16th minute 36-7 May you did something. Was it like what was the comment?
So one of them was very recently Tim Dillon's podcast after the Trump assassination attempt, and he had Alex
Okay.
Jones on. He had Alex Jones on.
Okay.
So while Alex Jones is giving his explanation of what's happening next, what the deep state is doing, Tim Dillon has kept a straight face, and he's just like, so I commented. This was right around the time that the Oscars were. I was like, Tim should get an Academy Award for this. That's what I wrote,
Chalo.
Because I felt like, you're brave. He braved it through. I could have probably maybe done it, but you gotta be able to.
Now that we're talking about the Trump's assassination, your views, or have you guys talked about
We've
those
talked about
views
this.
Let's
before?
talk about it again.
Huh?
Yeah, let's talk
They-
about
but
it.
like,
It's a cultural
not
thing.
the
Yeah,
views,
it's-
but like,
What's
what
your
do you-
view?
I just say, bro, it's a little shady.
No, man.
it's very shady.
I feel it's fucking shady. Something is off for sure.
No, man. He would have died.
Something's
That whole
definitely-
angle and shit, then how
Wait,
close it was.
Like, how tough do you think it is to just act this out?
Impossible.
What, bro? If
I
you
think
saw
it's
the video,
impossible.
okay. If you saw the video,
Yeah.
you saw there was a couple of shots. This guy Trump goes down, he gets back up, and then he has like this cut on him, and he's been taken off the stage. Correct? How tough
Sorry,
is
say that
it for
again?
them to like?
Cut it while he's down.
Yeah, no, not cut, bro. It's so easy to like just. Man, like if you have to fake this shit, you can really fake this shit, and I feel like they've done a very bad job faking this shit. Also,
No, but I'll tell you why. So that we
Like, I felt it was like-
Meko pata kya laga? Like the only
there were a
thing
lot
for
of
me,
things like.
the only thing for me is faking it is perfectly reasonable to assume. Yes, there are snipers who can very accurately do like graze or clip the ear or whatever, right? But while that shot was fired, Donald Trump moved.
Yes.
So
That
that to
microsecond
predict his movement, how many degrees and all of that, that I don't think is possible.
Dude, so I'm not
That's where
even
I'm lost.
saying that the person shot, like he got a bullet on him. What I was thinking was
that they
he's
shot far
going
away?
down.
Acha.
You remember, like he goes down.
Yeah, but there's a
he's-
photo of an image.
Yeah,
There's a
that's
photo of
what,
a
man,
bullet.
That's what I'm trying.
There's a photo of a bullet.
Yeah, but like, dude, I don't know. Like, okay,
Abey, in
cool.
real time.
That was okay. So what?
Photo of the
I'll
bullet
tell
in
you-
real. Yeah, sorry. Photo of the bullet, as in there's like a photo someone shot at a probably like a very low shutter speed, to get the bullet whizzing past, and there was like
There's
Dude,
video footage.
So
video footage. I don't know.
like
What-
how
for
do I
what,
say
huh?
this? Imagine there's a bullet.
Huh.
The bullet is actually there. The
Correct.
bullet's a fake bullet. Chal, I don't know, plastic or whatever you call it. It actually doesn't touch Trump. Trump just goes down. He gets, those cosmetic stickers or some shit like that, because when you see the footage also, it's not like very HD that you can properly see. You can see that his ear is grazed and his cheek is grazed. How tough
He's
is
not
that?
grazed.
to-
That's blood streaking his.
whatever, like
his
what
cheek.
Joby. So like, how tough do you think that is to like just fake it while he's down? Like, what I'm saying, I'm not even saying that the bullet's there.
No, it's not. It's not. But yeah, so
And,
I'm
like,
basing this off
everything-
the fact that there's that there's footage. There's a photo of the bullet whizzing
Correct.
past, and
I've-
they've
I've
collected a
seen
bullet.
that.
So yeah, I'm assuming that those are the same
And
bullets,
like
but maybe they're not, right? That's
yeah, and like people have died also. All that is there. But
Ah.
in a grander scheme, how tough do you think it
Yeah,
is to
it's
fake?
not.
Like,
No, all the world's a stage, buddy. You could fucking make anything happen, man.
I felt
Just
it
enjoy the
was-
show.
It was very shady.
Well, at
but
least-
maza aa
Just-
gaya.
just
Yeah, it
enjoy the
was-
show.
Well, he's coming back.
Huh?
Well, he's coming back.
Who dat? Donald Trump.
Yeah.
We don't know, but yeah, I mean, I think it might be more likely than Kamala, but you never know.
Speaking of coming back, Joao Felix has come back to Chelsea.
Yes. I
Are you
guess.
happy about that as a Chelsea fan?
I'm not a Chelsea fan,
Oh, then
but I'm in general a
What
football
fan?
fan.
Are you? You're not a. particular-
Yeah, I suppose.
You said us while referring to Chelsea earlier. Caught you. Look, I know it's a shit club, so don't be embarrassed.
Dude, I'm not a Chelsea fan. If I even have to say, I still support United, but I've just stopped watching the games anymore. Kinda
Same. I
fucking
only ever
suck.
supported United for a couple of years in school. Then got bored of football.
But
Huh.
yeah, I just like following the whole world of football in a way. So
I think he's overrated though.
who?
Joao Felix.
Yeah, I feel he's gonna suck.
He played for us for Barcelona
Yeah,
for 1
he-
year, Abhi, and
I don't think
he
so.
was
He's
average.
overrated. Like he's good, but he
He
has
was-
his days, dude. It's like that.
Yeah, but he's been average for 3 years now.
And like now coming back to the Premier League after playing where he was playing, it's not gonna be easy. The pressure and like it's too physical.
And yeah, he's a
So,
small,
maza aayega.
dainty little fellow who gets beat up a lot.
Yeah, he's good though. He's good though.
when on his day, no? He's,
Yeah, but like
he's
all-
an average player who has very good days. And sure, he dribbles nice. That's it.
like I feel he's a good player. With
Actually,
average
what he is
days.
sorry. He's also a player of a different profile. His type of player is not very common.
Yeah, like it's
So-
different. Like it's different. Like I just told you because I was on my
That-
phone. I saw.
That whole player winger hybrid sort of thing that he is.
Hmm.
There's not many players who are naturally that player, which is very.
Different.
Yeah,
like it
it's
can really
different.
help you. Like let's see how Chelsea uses.
But he
Joao,
did
but
it doesn't turn out. It doesn't. He
he's
doesn't
good, dude.
perform on.
See, yeah, no,
a lot of
that's
days.
there. But like, I more than just how a player is, I also feel it makes a very big difference of which team is he playing for, how's the manager, how's the
He
relationship.
played for us,
and-
Barcelona, Xavi. It was
and-
all good.
Nahin, I'm talk. So that's what I'm saying. Let's see how Chelsea uses
yeah.
how it plays out.
This
because-
new manager Enzo Maresca. We'll
like,
see what he does.
Yeah, that's what. Like a lot of times, it's not just about the player, but it's also about the club and how is he being
Everything,
positioned. and-
team chemistry,
yeah.
everything.
So let's see, and like a lot of times, it's when you start, how are you? Because that kind of takes a toll, and then the season kind of goes in that kind of direction usually. So let's see. Let's hope for the best.
Yeah, Chelsea has hit the refresh button. They've literally bought and sold 20 different players, completely got a new squad over the past 1.5 years.
You as Chelsea supporter.
No, I'm a Barcelona supporter.
Oh, see, okay.
But I keep in touch with the news because I do watch football.
yeah,
still.
yeah.
And so I follow Fabrizio Romano.
Mhm.
It's a- Fabrizio Romano. Fabrizio Romano.
Fabrizio.
I'm Italian sports journalist. I am so good. I have all the information.
So yeah, do you play any sports? though?
Pasta linguini.
Sometimes I play. Sometimes I play.
Mozzarella.
Sometimes I play.
Gabagool.
What do you play?
I play the badminton. Sometimes I play. I used to play the football. I haven't played for a few months football, but I want to get back to that. Badminton, football,
What, football? What
golf.
you
कभी कभी
Oh, nice.
ऋषु के साथ गया, विनायक के साथ गया.
Should play golf one day.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
मजा आएगा.
I play with hearts and minds, bro.
I'm sure, bro.
That's my
That's why I
sport.
didn't ask you.
That's my
I
sport.
knew this was the answer coming. And I also saw you on
God
your phone,
forbid
so-
you pick up a ball.
It's game over, buddies. Run. Because I won't.
Suki, if Suki could play a sport, he would drive an F1 car.
I used to play tennis, actually.
Suki could play sport, he'd do white collar crimes.
The most dangerous game is what I'm down for.
Yeah.
You know? Take me to an island and make me hunt a human.
Oh.
That's the game. That's the book, right?
And y'all got a friendly bet within
Most
each other.
dangerous.
for it, yeah.
Huh?
And उसमें भी खिलाड़ियों में
You know,
friendly bet भी
Westworld,
होगा.
that whole Westworld shit is so for me. I would just want to live Red Dead Redemption. Give me that. What a life. What a life. Just be on a horseback,
That would be a good life.
Please book ticket for Texas. Go.
hunt some yeah? Huh?
Go. Book ticket for Texas. Bye.
Book tickets for Texas.
Bye.
No, it's not a reality out in the real world, buddy. You gotta make it like, you know, I think that's the nature, that's where entertainment is headed. Everyone's bored of the theater. No one goes to the cinemas unless it's like a huge fucking blockbuster ass movie. Or some fucking, you know, bullshit.
That's
No one goes there for
true.
drama anymore. People are like, oh, it's some director story. I'll watch on Netflix. Right. And like live experiences are actually is what's been moving. People just want to go out.
Abey, but I'm
So
sure.
what's like you gotta level up. Once जब लोगों को लत लग जाती है ना.
I'm sure in some super rich elite circles.
किस चीज की लत?
So that was that. There's a
I'm sure in like super rich elite.
like you know, have you seen one of those
first.
break rooms where you just go and break shit,
Yeah.
right? You know
No,
what this?
No.
Oh,
You
तो
gotta
किसी भी चीज की लत
so
लग
you,
सकती है.
yeah. So you get you
That way,
get this apartment. It's a floor. It's a whole home. Maybe it's a room. Maybe it's like an office or like a living area, and they give you a baseball bat and hammers and shit. Just break it up.
Just go break shit up.
Sounds like some
Vent.
emo bitch post breakup like.
No, this is
vent
what the
space.
sociopaths need to actually
Yeah,
experience
it's
emotions.
Dude, so
You
basically
gotta
I've never
understand,
actually
this is the
done
market.
it, but we should go do it. Have
The
you done
market.
it?
When you sell your soul to the
I
corporate,
can see women with green and
Have you
red
tried
hair.
it?
I can see women green and
Never.
red hair doing the
I
same
don't think
thing
they
with
have.
the hearts
I mean,
are broken.
I've never looked into it. Listen.
It sounds like a cool thing. Like I've
Yeah,
seen
well.
people, like I've just seen videos and I know about it.
So I'm saying, what's the
never
logical
got a
progression of a
chance.
break room? First, you break some wood, then you break some bones, right? You gotta break some bones eventually.
हम लोग के लिए डिफरेंट
I'm
है यहाँ पे
sure-
थोड़ा यहाँ बस पीछे जाओ थोड़ा लड़ाई वड़ाई कर लो या कुछ
I'm sure there are some rich,
We don't
su-
need, like,
super
a
rich
break-
elite. I'm
break
sure that
room.
there's some super rich elite circles also where like there are all these पता नहीं really rich businessmen who get together. They have clubs. They go to Scandinavia to hunt some villagers or something for fun or whatever. I'm sure.
Yeah,
these things
there was this
happen.
Matlab,
movie
I'm
that
sure-
recently came out called The Hunt, I believe, and it is one of those class warfare things
Yes,
where people
yes.
go out to like hunt.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of
Wow.
like movies,
The Hunt.
documentaries, not documentaries, but movies and TV shows which has this
Documentary
kind
would
of
be
a-
nuts.
That's why I said no Westworld. I just
Yeah.
want Westworld as like a small getaway. Give me a 2 month
I'm
getaway.
sure
out of-
all that shit would be happening at all.
Where do you think
The
that
Hunt.
came from?
Powerful elites capture try to hunt down a group of people. However, the plans for the future for a fun event are thwarted
How
before the
this-
captive proves too much for them to handle. It's some broad who's too good. Oh yeah, she's a fighter. Fuck off.
Okay. Why?
Yes. Cigarette?
Okay.
Sorry. We only smoke cigarettes.
I want to smoke a cigarette outside.
Go for it.
So
Welcome back.
yeah, bananas are good for you.
Oh, wow,
Tuning
that-
back.
Our glass is here. Our glass or glass hour?
Hourglass.
Hourglass.
Hourglass. All right, and that's our glass for an hour.
No.
Then?
It's about like 30 minutes. So that's why it's just set
It's
it
a
to
half-hour
have like
glass.
a relative sense of time.
Nice.
I know.
It's good.
Yeah,
It's a cool one also.
Yes, I have 2 of these actually. So one is
Looks
30,
sick.
one is 15.
Where did you get it from?
Modernquests.com.
Damn.
Kalyug.
So you like doing a lot of window shopping? in
Window
general?
shopping?
Window shopping, online shopping.
Online shopping.
He means in your browser window.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, do you like to browse a lot while you're shopping? Because you keep like I keep having like cool things around, and I keep asking you where do you get this from, that from. So is it more like you?
No, actually, I'm an influencer.
He has a problem.
I'm an influencer, and these brands just love to fucking give me free shit.
Ah.
But the trick is, I never make videos.
ah.
They still think they think I'm a man of influence.
All right. All
So
right.
See, once he hands them money,
Mhm.
they give it to him for free.
Yeah.
Dude,
yeah.
that's really funny because not recently, I keep getting this shit where they send me products and I have to make something.
Montana.
Montana,
Hannah.
and I've had like other people also sending me. Bro, in the middle, they were these clothing brands who would want me to
They see
wear.
minimals.
There were more. They were, yeah, there
I know the friends. I know what the friends are. Smooth mix. सारे दोस्त भी तेरे जानता हूँ.
Smooth mix.
Yeah.
Wow.
और किसको जानता? ये सूरज का भी दोस्त है, हनुमान कैंड.
Wow.
So these guys, no, what I was trying to say was कि sometimes these things come in, you
Yeah.
get the jacket or you get pants or whatever,
Correct.
and then you just get so fucking lazy, dude. You just like, banana padega.
I know.
Banana padega.
And with Desi Minimals, so you did the video with Dhee also, right? Out in
Yeah,
Kolkata,
yeah,
was it? When you
yeah.
spray painted the fucking
Yeah,
what's his
that
face?
was a
The
lot
buses
of fun.
and shit.
That was a lot.
That was
of
pretty
fun.
cool.
It
That's
was,
pretty cool. And you made a very fun video. Guys, check it out.
And same as
It's on the Desi Minimals YouTube account. This is Sanathan's spray
very
painting.
very close, as in like it's really like ditto same as today, where we had no fucking idea what we were doing.
Correct.
And the only difference was that day we had decided that we were gonna go in the morning. This was still in the evening.
Correct.
So I was not really in the fucking shape to get there. We partied a little too much the night before, and because of a friend of mine, my whole fucking thumb was cut. That night I had to go get fucking stitches done.
What did she do, bro?
Huh?
She bit on it too hard.
No, man.
What did she do?
Nothing like that sorts. But basically, just got a cut in my hand. It was quite deep. I had to get stitches. And the next day in the morning at 6, we got up. Dhee had come over. He was also there that night. We both got up. We went down. This other friend of ours who was there with his cameras, a car filled with cans, and he was just like, "Let's go."
A car filled with cans.
A car filled with cans. That's a dream.
I've seen the video. There was like a boot में थोड़े से थे ना.
That's
car-
a lot, bro.
Car filled with cans.
तो वहाँ भी can community
I
थी
feel
इसकी.
like that's a different image.
Chal, cool, bhai. A boot filled with cans in a car.
I love to be. This is a common thing. I'm very pedantic. I love to get pedantic.
What's
Not-
pedantic?
Pedantic. You love so when you
Tabantic.
to get caught up in the details, in the nitty gritties for no reason,
It's man.
unnecessarily,
That's good. That's good.
just to bug you.
Yeah.
It's a thing. हाँ तू
So-
क्या you were saying something? नहीं.
Oh, you weren't saying anything?
Good. Let's keep that.
Yeah, that's
not
all
encouraged.
right. Not a
I mean,
problem.
y'all want to
Not
talk
a
about cans for half an hour.
Yeah. We've been talking about cans.
Cans
a
are
lot.
good, bro.
painting
Come
stuff.
on. Spray
You
painting
literally
is
talk about one kind of
so much
cans.
fun.
To answer your question, originally, yes, I do often shop.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because he has a problem.
I have there's many problems. Listen, I don't relate to
I have
humans. I
another
relate
question.
to objects.
That helmet.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, I can. By the way, I can.
Inanimate
Think
armor.
about it this way.
The
I can.
head armor.
I can completely empathize with the glass. With the human being, I can't.
Okay, but what?
Go on.
Tell me, where did you get that head armor from?
That
First,
that
it's
Knight
called a
Templar-
helmet.
Helmet. Hey, I said helmet, but I was
Head
like,
armor.
maybe head armor sounds cooler.
Yeah.
Bata?
It's a Knights Templar helmet. There's this Indian guy actually called YoungArtisan.in.
Okay.
I think I've already.
see, yeah.
And I have already promoted, like last time also we discussed this. I added
okay.
his thing. I'll leave it in the description again. Yeah, very cool. He makes a lot of these armors. He makes
Sick.
helmets historically. I mean, they're not absolutely accurate, and of course they're not the
That's
same
all
quality,
right,
but it's a
man.
fun
It
prop.
shouldn't.
It's
I
a fun
feel
thing.
it shouldn't be absolutely.
ए इसको
accurate,
सामने
yeah.
रखना, तू कहाँ दूर रखा है? मतलब कितने लोग पास करेंगे चाहे मेरे को? इधर रखो सामने आके. Correct. तभी उसी को बोला मैंने. तू अपने नोटबुक पॉडकास्ट के लिए सामने क्यों लेके आया चूतिया?
भाई उसमें he has written a lot of things and he was hoping like one of us.
नहीं, मैं कुछ पढ़ रहा था अपना वो उससे
अच्छा,
पहले.
अच्छा.
तो यही रख दिया
Why,
टेबल
but
पे.
like, didn't you just write a really cool? You are writing a really cool soundtrack which is in Punjabi.
Song, हाँ
Song
song.
and-
Beat तो बना हुआ है.
I thought we were
vocal
going to
होना
discuss upon it. No. Oh,
Hmm.
है. कर सकते हैं, जरूरी भी नहीं है.
okay.
नहीं उसको निकाल लेते फिर उसकी किली उड़ाएंगे.
हाँ.
पहले निकलना तो दे, पहले मजाक उड़ा लेगा तू.
All right, that's true.
गाना उसको पहले let him
हाँ,
release it
but-
ना, then
Yeah, that's true. That's
hold your horses, buddy.
Holding them.
Yeah, your horse is held.
Hold your bitches. Why do they say that? Hold your dogs.
No,
But I guess you don't.
So sorry, my
You're not
bad.
really.
Sit down,
You're
sit
not
down,
really
sit
getting transported on a dog.
down.
So that's why.
Sit and chill.
There's a reason. But you could say that, but hold your buffaloes to your tonga. If it is a bullock cart, hold your bullocks. Bulls. Is a bullock a different thing from a bull? Bullock cart. Is that bulls or bullocks?
Bullocks, I think, are just the Indianized version of bulls.
Hold
Matlab,
your-
kuch, because
Hold
I've
your
seen.
donkeys would also
We're
be
talking
fine.
about, for example, now
Don't know,
who's pulling a bullock cart? A bull or a bullock?
I think it's the difference between bell and bhais.
I feel
No,
it's
whatever
bulk-
that is.
Bulk.
Bulk cart.
No, whatever the difference. Okay, just because you're Bihari. Now, whatever the difference is between bell and bhais is probably the difference between bull and bullock. I don't know.
Nee, hold on.
Bell और भैंस में क्या फर्क है, by the way?
Bell or bhais? I don't know.
One is bull.
Bell is bull. Bhais is male cow.
Bhaisa.
Isn't
Yes,
भैंसा.
male cow a bull?
No.
Nah.
Bull is different to cow, buddy.
Bull is what?
You
Bull
retard.
Bull is?
Huh?
तो फीमेल बुलनी को क्या बोलते
अरे
हैं?
यार बुल वो काली वाली चीज होती है, वो
नहीं
सिर्फ
यार,
काली होती है,
bull
काउस में
in
कलर होता है.
Hindi-
नहीं,
bull
bulls
in
brown
Hindi
भी होते
is
हैं. क्या
what?
बात कर रहा है?
Bull in Hindi is
हाँ. क्या बकचोदी
Brown,
है?
so, they're not
Colours
multicolored.
Hindi.
They're never multicolored. They're also
what?
only monochrome. Bulls are monochromatic.
What are bulls in Hindi?
Bell.
नहीं, अच्छा,
Bell.
bull bell, yeah.
Bull bell.
And,
Bull bell.
and male cow is भैंस.
भैंस.
नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता. Because
गाय
भैंस
और
का
भैंस.
दूध भी मिलता है. अब मेल काव का दूध कैसे बेच रहे हैं चूतिए? भैंस का दूध भी मिलता
नहीं,
है.
I feel
बैल
same
का दूध नहीं मिलता, भैंस का
हाँ.
दूध मिलता है.
बैल का भी मिलता है ना? नहीं.
नहीं, पागल है बैल, वो उसको मुंड बोलते हैं.
Yeah,
Stupid
you
बैल.
got me. You got me. It's a bit of a check situation.
Check.
Yeah.
It's a check.
Yeah.
He's checking me. I'm trying to figure out. No, you might be right. You might be checkmate.
भैंस का दूध. Yeah.
You might be checkmate. Well, yeah, because dude, unless it's that, unless I'm drinking cum water,
Well,
भैंस का.
I mean that would fit the
भैंस
bill.
का होता है दूध लेकिन. भैंस
Yeah,
का दूध
वही तो
होता
कह
है.
रहा
तो
हूँ.
कह तो फिर भैंस ही होगी फिर बुल.
ओ बट बुलनी को क्या बोलते हैं? वो तो बुल तो
बुल-
मेल आदमी हो गया.
बुलनी क्यों आ
अबे
गया
बुल
इसमें?
तो आदमी हो गया ना.
बुल की-
बुलनी को क्या
बुल
बोलेंगे?
की स्पीसी कुछ और है भाई.
उसकी बीवी
बुल
को
is a
क्या
different
बोलेंगे?
species. No, so then भैंस is a different species. बैल का दूध नहीं होता.
भाई ये सेम चीटी चीटा वाला सीन हो गया ब्रो.
चीटी चीटा वाला सीन कुछ होता ही नहीं. ये तेरे ख्यालों में, ठीक है? चीटी चीटा वाला scene.
चीटी then
Cheetah is a male cheetah.
that's what I'm asking.
No,
I'm asking.
cheetah would be a big cheetah.
Sorry.
Because like for example,
See, that's what. Is
Punjabi
it like
में
a
भी
male cheaty or a big cheaty?
big
I
cheetah.
feel
I'll
it's a
tell you.
male cheaty, bro.
नहीं, देख पंजाबी में भी
cheaty cheetah.
पंजाबी में भी अगर हम बात करें ट्रॉफी, ठीक है, कोई ट्रॉफी जीत कर आया, ट्रॉफी, अगर वो बहुत बड़ी ट्रॉफी हम कहेंगे बहनचोद ट्रॉफा जीत के आया.
Okay, so for example,
है ना?
a lot
Hello?
of people say, एक मिनट, a lot of people say Baba.
यार ये
You know
सरदार ही
Baba,
चेकआउट हो गया.
father, Baba.
हाँ,
So mother
Bell
is
is
Babi.
ox or bull.
बाबा साइकिल.
If
Bell is ox or bull.
if father is Baba, then mother is Babi.
Mother is bubbly.
Huh?
Bubbly.
It's different.
It's bubbly.
So
तो cheetah is trophy ट्रोफा. Suki, you have to decide this.
Okay, tell me.
He's a little distracted.
No,
What are you doing on
I'm
your phone,
listening.
bro?
I'm paying attention completely entirely for
Really? So have you heard our arguments?
नहीं, but you
Paid attention
चीटा
completely.
चीटी कुछ चल रहा है ना यार, तो उसको
हाँ.
आगे बताओ.
तो सैंटी का आर्ग्यूमेंट ये है
Argument
कि
नहीं है. I'm just saying कि
चीटा
अगर-
होता है. I'm sorry, that's a stance. Now you spent over a minute on it. It's a fucking stance. Don't you dare back down.
Go on,
हाँ.
go on, hurry up.
Santi says कि cheetah should be male cheetah. I say cheetah is big cheetah. Like for example, पंजाबी में भी ट्रॉफी, हम बोले ट्रॉफी जीत के आया, अगर बहुत बड़ा है तो ट्रोफा जीत के आया.
It's like
Go far,
it's
yeah.
no, it's like arguing whether the Yeti is a large human or an ape or different kind. It's non-existent. Cheetah does not exist. So you can't assign a definition to something that does not exist in reality. So you're both retarded.
What? There is no male ant.
चीटी होती है bro. अबे
But
ये
a
हिंदी-
cheetah would be a big cheetah. You could say in Punjabi.
भाई चीटी.
Bro, अब हम
चलो कोई नहीं. Let's
No, तो
move
होता है-
on. Let's move on.
हिंदी में जेंडर मारते हैं ना. हिंदी में gender मारते हैं.
Let's move on.
Okay, sorry. Cheetah or is what
If-
your options were now for the
Okay, I have another. I have.
Stop
okay,
being
okay.
stop being a fucking know-it-all. What are your real your options? What cheetah is male cheetah and your option is bada cheetah.
Yes.
Bada cheetah is better.
Yes.
It's got to be a bada cheetah.
Fuck you.
Cheetah has to be bada cheetah, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what's a male?
Only some animals are gendered. गधा गधी. क्योंकि वो हम इंसानों को भी बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ. Loda, Lodi.
Yeah.
Oh, Lode.
Lodi.
Lodi.
Hey, Lodi.
Lodi होता है कि लड़ायन होता है?
तो चीटे होते हैं, तो
Lodi.
फिर चीटी चीटे.
चीते.
चींटियां. Stupid.
चीटे.
हाँ.
चीटे.
चीटे होंगे.
चीटे वो है जो लोग एग्जाम और रिलेशनशिप में मारते हैं, वो होते हैं चीटे.
चीटे तो जो तू रोज हाथ में छोड़ता है.
And he and she.
Huh?
He and
चीटे.
she. का Hindi version would be.
Sorry.
He
Cheat
and
and?
she. का
Sorry,
Hindi
he and she.
version.
किसका?
He and she.
He and she.
He and she.
He and she.
He and she का हिंदी वर्जन नहीं होता because English is not the same as Hindi. ना?
स्त्रीलिंग पुलिंग. पुलिंग स्त्रीलिंग.
No, that's male female retard.
अच्छा तो
Male,
he
female,
and
पुलिंग.
she.
He and
वो
she, we don't have-
वो and वो
वो हमारे में नहीं होता ना.
वो and वो genderless
वो
है.
कर रही है हमारे जेंडर टास्क में जाते हैं. उनके
हाँ,
टास्क में जेंडर नहीं होता.
वर्ब में घुसा देते हैं.
हाँ, वर्ब.
वर्ब में.
वर्ब में अपना जेंडर मारते
वर्ब
हैं.
में
और
घुसा
हम
देते हैं.
वो हाँ हम वर्ब में मारते जेंडर, वो मारते हैं बेंच शुरुआत में.
हाँ.
शुरुआत में जेंडर मार, तभी तो वो रोते हैं इतना कि नहीं मेरा जेंडर ही नहीं, तू वर्ब में डाल दिया, हमने सेंटेंस के बीच में डाला है, तब तक बंदा इन्वेस्ट हो गया अंडरस्टैंडिंग में. ही इज
वो थोड़ा मिस्टेक प्रिजर्व होता है ना.
दे ट्राई टू फिगर आउट व्हाट वी आर सेइंग. उसमें पहले ही बोल दिया कि शी बिच.
नहीं सुनने.
इट्स them.
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 XEM. It's themself.
नहीं हमारा सही है. वो में सब कुछ निकल
हमने
जाता
वो
है.
बोला कहते हैं हाँ वो ही होगा. और तो that's why the dynamic they happen right now. We've had them ahead.
We've been
we've got them figured out, buddy.
Yeah, they're
We got to figure
It's
out.
been years. It's been fucking
It's, yeah, it's
a thousand.
been
It's a
yeah.
thousand years of Hindi fucking just kicking English's ass.
Much more.
That's
Yeah.
what,
Which is why we always must be talking
That's
Hindi.
what I was trying to get
Yeah.
at.
This is the primary mode of communication. Because of Hindi superiority, we love to
Yeah.
communicate in Hindi, and I'm totally not at a loss. Like I
Yeah.
would certainly not be able to not frame this sentence in Hindi right now.
Right.
That's crazy.
That's just insane. हमें ऐसा ही-
English medium school, Hindi medium in spirit.
हाँ.
और
Oh, this has been fantastic.
और
हो गया तेरा?
Oi, did you start playing your trumpet?
Yes.
Oh,
I
कैसा
did.
चल रहा है?
सारे गामा पा हो रहा है.
Oh, sick.
हाँ,
And like you're
तो-
getting like sa re ga ma pa mein, is it not going pa 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 pa? There is like a little bit of sa is different, re is different. How's it going?
So as a musician मैंने ऐसे हो रहा है. हो रहा है.
He doesn't mean कि तुम्हारा ट्रम्पेट में साग आ रहा है.
साग. साग
साग आ रहा है.
Saag aa raha hai, bhai.
साग आ रहा है.
That's good. That's good.
मजा तो आ रहा है.
Atsuki, how is working on your new projects going? Like, kya kar raha hai? How's it
Yeah,
going? Now
Mr.
Projects. Now you're working with a graffiti artist also.
He's in the
Yes.
projects.
Yeah,
How's that
I'm
going?
working with a budding graffiti artist. He's underground right now.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's rumors, you know, and people are like, oh, Jackson. Ooh,
Except he's currently overground.
Ooh, Jackson.
Ooh, Jackson.
Ooh, Jackson.
Ooh,
Ooh, Jackson.
So Suki, you're in the projects,
Jackson, Jackson.
In
Yes.
the projects.
Yes.
I'm in the projects.
Suki, in the projects.
I've
How's it
I've
going?
been working on the projects. I've been doing some social work, and I've realized that that the people need more crack cocaine.
Mhm.
The people haven't had
They
enough.
certainly don't need less.
Yeah. Less than what are we left with?
No.
I mean, you know.
Because this is the age of depression. This new age.
The age of depression.
Yes.
Ooh, I have another very cool topic. Sorry. I'm
Yes,
just
let's
trying
go.
to get it out. Apna, did you guys talk about the Olympic breakdancing Australian women? Her name was what? Shogun. Yeah.
Olympic breakdancing.
Oh fuck! You guys don't
None
know
of
about
that
this.
sentence.
Why is breakdancing an Olympic sport? Sorry.
What was this sentence? Olympic
For-
breakdancing. Australian name was Shogun. What the
Yeah.
fuck did I just hear?
This
Oh,
is what
shit,
the world
you
has
guys
come
have
to.
no idea.
No,
Tell-
no. Bring
Guys,
us up to speed.
People who know about this.
This happened in the world
comments,
this week. ये
please-
बकचोदी हुई
Please
है.
write it down in comments. It was a big thing, dude.
Nobody's
Basically,
gonna comment.
this is the first time breakdancing was introduced in Olympics.
First year.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was the
sorry.
first year.
And,
And, and
As an Olympic sport.
yeah, as an Olympic sport, and
Golf
they-
win.
all the
yeah.
all
Cricket
the
win.
countries sent
Yeah,
their
cricket
best.
win. Break
Cricket win. What the
dancing.
fuck?
All the
Bench
countries.
break dancing घुस गया cricket नहीं घुस
Cricket
पाया.
was-
Cricket is also there. Next year Olympic, they're planning to get.
But
cricket
break
in
dancing
as well.
came first.
Yeah.
Wow.
So why do people need to fucking shut the fuck up?
There were a lot of like different sports also which
Why
came,
do
but like
Kabaddi?
breaking.
Do we have kabaddi in the Olympics?
I don't think
nuts?
so. I don't think
No,
so.
There we
kabaddi,
go.
no, kabaddi, but like, listen, cricket is still more multinational than
Sure,
fucking
sure,
kabaddi.
Cricket is
Kabaddi-
coming next year.
Oh,
Cricket
kabaddi,
is
I
नहीं
don't think
kabaddi
that-
का
I
World Cup
can't-
होता है.
We still can't
Oh,
make
India
so much,
only wins
so
like
much of a
9 out of
case-
the 10.
But let me
So
tell
you
you
can't make
guys
so much
about
of a
this,
case for kabaddi.
this thing, and I'm kind of like I'm a little shocked that you don't. It's all about. It's everywhere right now, and it's a full scene basically. What happened was.
I'm a nerd. I do finance news.
So what happened was ki every country
Same.
sent their best dancers,
Hmm.
and Australians sent this girl who you should see the video, dude. Like, like there were a lot of like after she did what she did, she got a score of 0, and the whole world went nuts because
Why would she get it? Why did she get zero?
yeah, because she
She was probably above her weight category.
I don't know how to say it without being mean, but like she was really bad, bro. Like she was not a good dancer. It for a lot of people who know break
Was she heavy
dancing-
set?
Sorry,
Was she heavy set?
I don't know what that means.
Heavy set?
Heavy set?
Healthy.
Oh no, that was
Big
not the
boned it.
problem. It was
Okay.
the more of a problem was like it looked like she was making fun of the fucking culture in a way. Like if you know break, like,
Fair enough.
I don't know. Like,
Fair
how
enough.
to
Seemed
say it, like-
gimmicky.
The problem.
No, it
let
was
me tell you
just-
something.
dude, so basically,
Not a serious
when you
effort.
get a little bit into
No, but
it,
let me tell you something.
her husband was in the Olympics in some manner, and she had this. You know how like everybody has communities. Like for example, there's a community which makes you go on walks, or like there's a community every Sunday you go and paint together.
So the
So she
community
was-
that sends you to the
No,
Olympics.
there was a community in Australia which used to do break dancing, and she was maybe the I don't know the clear story. This is what I've heard from people. She was one of the she was leading it, and she really wanted to represent Australia. तो उसको ऐसे भेज दिया गया, but that's a little bit of a disrespect on the sport if you see, and it's a big thing right now. And but you should see what she did. It's crazy.
So
So
she was
are
not
you
really a
saying-
good
no,
break
no, no,
dancer
no,
at
hold
all,
on.
and they
She's
just
not.
sent
I'm a little.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I'm.
And
It's
And
like
like-
मैं चले जाऊँ इंडिया की तरफ से Olympic break dancing करने.
Yes, exactly.
Fuck off, I'm
Exactly.
great. Wrong answer.
Exactly. And like while
He's
you're
not
going
listening.
there, you have kind of like seen like what is breakdancing about, and kind of figured out, okay, these are the things I'll do, and just go there and do it. Like it's a little bit of
Yeah,
a
mic पे बोलना तो
disrespect.
side से बोलो.
Sorry, buddy. I move a lot,
Yeah.
and this is my first time doing this, so
It happens. Happens to the best of us.
have patience.
I do it. I do it even when I've been doing it for all of time.
Yeah.
Total.
Yeah, like now,
words.
now slowly, now finally,
I went to
after,
sleep during the
after
last.
1.5
But tell me
hours-
something. Tell me
You
something.
went to
So this
sleep?
broad who did it.
Yeah.
Now you're saying they gave her a 0 because
Yeah.
she was almost like it was almost like she was making fun of it, but she wasn't. She was just an amateur, right?
Yeah, or
It wasn't
what she-
intentional.
So
But, like,
basically,
She just sucked.
What she
Yeah,
says it-
initially
no,
I thought.
what she
Initially,
says
I thought that it was critique.
let me tell you this. What when people asked her like what's up, she said this is my style of breaking. So now that's also a different thing. The afterworld is also saying ki, oh, why are you disrespecting this, it's a style.
But that's what.
But
Yeah,
like
right,
dude,
Bhavana.
it just sucked. She sucked, like it was bad.
Sure, but she sucked is such a subjective, which is why breakdancing in the Olympics makes no sense because everything else is an objective measure. X distance,
Yes.
X time.
They
To
have
the,
they
Here
have that.
goals.
What is the objective?
So-
In the break dance, I mean, are you counting the number of breaks or the like
You can
the-
go and check
the
about that. So
complexity
they
and
have
all of
like
that?
a 5 level.
There's a
what do you call it?
But I'm
scoring
still,
thing.
I mean,
But the scoring is also like,
And there are, like-
okay, question. Different judges will score differently, no?
But that's what I'm saying. Yeah, but you're
If
imposing.
that happens, then
I'm
it's
not
not
the
a sport.
best person to give you these answers, but what
Right.
I know of is ki there are 5 judges, and the scoring happens with 5 different categories, which are creativity, flow, and some more. I don't know.
As
but
soon
like-
as you got those in, it's not a sport.
and sorry,
As soon as you got those 2 categories in, it's not a sport. It can't be.
creativity cannot be objectively measured, no?
It's done. You because by the batsman
How the
छक्का
fuck-
मार रहा है वो जैसे भी मारे वो 6 runs हो रहे हैं.
I'm
कोई
not,
goal मार रहा है
I'm
जैसे भी
not,
चला
I'm
गया.
not fucking saying that it is a sport or it's not a sport. I'm just giving you a fact. Like this
Yeah.
is happening.
Yeah.
If you guys think it's not a sport, good for you guys.
Hmm.
Like, but it is a sport, and what I was getting at was they've removed it because of this whole stunt which she did. Now it's not going to be in the next
Because it can't.
Olympics.
next
That's what I'm
next
saying.
Olympics. Yeah,
Where I'm getting to is you fundamentally can't have it.
But-
you're imposing a rigid structure over a creative
But
process.
on-
There's going to be problems.
but another thing which I would like to say is you guys are saying it's not a sport is because you don't know how it's being measured. right now, correct? Like
I'm not saying that at all. I'm saying that you're only measuring it from a specific perspective, which is inherently going to be limiting it.
correct, but
Whatever
like this has been happening. This is actually now a sport. Breaking in a way is a sport. It's been happening for a while now, where in a cipher, and it was like if you see the like the live version, what happened on the Olympics also, it was pretty similar. There'll be a DJ, there will be a cipher, it'll be a huge circle, and there'll be 5 judges, and they actually have that category. It's out there. You can like figure it out. क्या नहीं है.
Sure.
तो
मैं
उसी
मना नहीं कर रहा यार,
उसी
मैं-
हिसाब से अब डाल
मैं
दिया
बस-
जाए.
all I'm saying is, man,
हाँ,
all
like-
I'm saying is, it's very difficult to impose a layer of objectivity on this. It's where I'm getting from, you know, and
Like,
that's just
all
my
right,
experience.
that's
Is like,
all
you
right.
know, huh?
That's all right. Yeah, like as in that makes
yeah.
sense what you're saying.
That's
But-
all it is. But yeah,
but-
no, but I mean, I can certainly see, you know, because even more step up and shit.
Yeah, like
Isn't all of that? That's all.
it's-
I know what it
it's-
is.
yeah,
I know what
yeah,
it
it's
is.
there.
But at a certain level, it stops being an objective thing.
In a way, yeah.
In a
But
way,
like, yeah,
yeah.
it really matters कि उस समय who are the judges.
No, but that's
What do they say?
listen. I'll tell you what it is. The Academy Awards, they don't impose an objective measuring thing. It is an intangible feeling. What is the best movie of the year, right? You can still judge and compare comparative, you know, like creative processes and decide, okay, this is the best example from this sample group. You can do that. So I'm saying maybe you should anyway do that, because this is such a creative thing where you don't have these rigid structures, and you can evaluate on its merit also. It could still be suck.
Yeah.
It could still be terrible.
Yeah.
And you're right.
Yeah. That's the whole scene, na?
That's
why
I think
this
the better
whole-
way to do it. That's how I would
yeah,
do it, right?
Like that's why there's the whole fucking confusion.
Grammys
right now,
exist,
and
the Golden
everybody
Globes
has
exist,
their
all of
own
those, yeah.
stand on it.
Yeah.
Ki whether this is her style and let her be, and the other side it's just like you motherfuckers. Like every corner, and Tom, Dick, and Harry would have been better than her.
Dude,
तो
tell him about
इन
the.
judges को इसकी style टट्टी लगी तो ठीक
हाँ.
है, they gave her the score of
Oh, she
0.
was ass, bro.
Yeah,
Not every
that's
girl
it,
can twerk.
yeah,
Not
that's
every.
what, like, it
Yeah,
was-
not every
it was
booty
just
got a
that,
fucking shake,
yeah.
man. Or needs to. Hey, tell him about the fucking jumping guys. The guys who were so fucking
Jumpy.
the height jump, fucking pole vaulting or something like.
Oh
you mentioned.
yeah.
Oh, some guy hit his dick and
It was quite funny. No,
Huh?
basically this was long jump.
Long jump, not pole vaulting.
like pole vaulting में
High jump. Sorry, this was high jump.
अच्छा,
And
Pole vaulting is what sex. Sex is it?
yes, acrobatically, I suppose.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Saying was this
Po-
was also
pole
very
salting?
interesting. The
Pole salting.
the Olympic high jump competition which happened this time,
Right.
where it was at the end it was a tie between two guys, and the height which they had to jump, both of them couldn't do it. So then they tried again, they couldn't do it. They tried again, they couldn't do it, and then they had a face off, and the face off was like, so every time they both try to jump one height and they can't, they
It
lower
got
the
lower.
height. Yeah. So they did the height, they couldn't do the height. Then it got lowered. They tried that, they couldn't do it.
Loser.
It got lower. They tried that, couldn't do it. It went lowered. Both did it. Went back up. They couldn't do it. Went back down. Couldn't do it. And then finally one guy did it. So it was fucking funny and it was so fucking long. And basically this
And
whole
it was the lower height only. One guy just got exhausted, so he couldn't make it.
Yeah, basically,
The
yeah.
f-
You're
the
getting
fourth
tired
or
also.
fifth time he was doing
Olympians apparently.
No, but like it was a crazy
That's pretty cool.
moment because
Yeah.
I wanted to watch another sport which was also airing at that point, but I had already gone so invested in this. I was like, भाई खत्म करो इसको, वो लोग कूद रहे हैं नहीं हो रहा है, दूसरा वाला भी कूद रहा है नहीं हो रहा है.
तो
वो
कैसे
काफी-
इसमें concurrent अगर competitions चल रहे होते हैं on the Olympics, then what is being broadcast? Are there multiple
Dude,
streams
that's
of
not this
the
was
broadcast?
Yeah. So while this long jump thing was happening on that same arena, there was a marathon also going on. So a lot of times you just see ki the guys is getting ready to jump and then they have to wait and all of the guys are passing by and then you'll see one last guy also passing dhire and then this would continue. So it was fucking funny, man.
But they didn't have the fucking real estate.
was-
तुम
and
यहाँ
then-
खेलोगे, तुम भी यहाँ खेलोगे.
And then if you would switch to the channel where the marathon is happening, you'll see the whole marathon is going on and then there'll be a camera angle where all of these long jumpers are just waiting for the turn. So it's crazy.
ये
They
जब-
had a lot of like this kind of shit going on
ये
this time.
ये जब स्कूल में लोग क्रिकेट फुटबॉल बगल में खेलते हैं ना एक फुटबॉल फील्ड
वैसे
ये
भाई
वही चल
स्कूल
रहा
में जब एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे होता है, जब सब चीज हो रहा होता है, at
हाँ.
the same time we just waiting. Yeah.
ये इनका क्वाड्रिएनियल स्पोर्ट्स डे ही तो है. क्यों भाई? क्वाड्रिएनियल क्या है?
And
What
like,
Daniel?
what the fuck was
Huh?
Snoop Dogg
I'll-
doing, dude? He was everywhere.
Torch.
That was also mad,
Yeah.
if you guys know.
He carried the torch also, no?
Dude, he's just been doing his
I only
side
know about the
quest.
open
Side quest,
Basically,
he's
now
done.
just doing
Yeah,
his
he's
side
exactly.
quest, but his
That's
side
been
quest
the-
also fucking crazy. Kabhi torch uthaya hua hai, where he was learning how to fence. Then he was, dude. If one
Shows up in these
person,
video game. Everything.
if somebody
he does.
who enjoyed Olympics, I feel it was Snoop Dogg. Fucking had a ball of a time. He was
Bro, he's
there
doing
for
life, right?
everything.
Snoop's real, dude. Yeah. Snoop's got locked down.
He was called something else now. In the middle, he changed.
Snoop
it.
Lion.
Yeah, he's become
Yeah.
the lion now.
Loser.
because-
Failed
Apparently-
flop name. Fuck off.
Apparently that album is apparently
Oh.
sonically completely different, and it's it's nice. It's reggae music or some shit like that.
Yeah.
And
It was
so-
only it was only the one album actually.
yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't like it. I listened to it at the time of the release, and I was maybe it was perhaps just like, yeah, and I was also a kid. I was still in school, so like the appreciation of other genres and just knowing what someone's trying to do with a new take on their regular body of work. I don't think I had the appreciation for that. So
I've never actually heard it.
I might have to revisit. Yeah, at some point. But yeah, I mean, my impression from that long ago is not good.
Yeah.
Nothing to write home about.
Hmm.
People still say that.
Otherwise, you would have written home
Yeah,
about it.
yeah, on
Chitti likh deta auntie ko.
on the WhatsApp family group.
Right.
That's how you write,
Write
home.
home.
That's how you write home these days.
Yes, through the airwaves.
through the age of Aquarius.
Age of the Aries.
हो गया.
Let's wrap it up. That's a good
हो
one.
गया. Oh, it's
I think we're
crazy.
done. Yeah.
Now I feel it just becomes
बहुत हो गया.
white noise for me when
Yeah.
like,
When someone is talking.
because both of you in general when you go it's a
Well, I'm a tet-a-tet.
हमारी जुगलबंदी बढ़िया ना.
Tete-a-tete.
Tete-a-tete.
Right.
The
we've
best
got
to
that
do
going.
Head to head.
Yeah.
just
No.
wait
Yeah.
for that silence to come and be like हो गया.
Yeah. How do you think this fucking
He
thing,
loves
thing
moments of
started?
silence. He's a
How
great
do you-
podcast watcher.
Yeah. Great
Who,
ADD.
me?
Great ADD guy who just wants silence.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? It's the opposite.
Additional director of Dumbass. Okay, folks. Thank you.
Cheers,
Goodbye.
boys. Bye. And lady.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
And lady. Just the one.
Yeah.
Bye Alexi.
Thank you so much. I know who you are.
Who? What?